Dr. John Adaroma, yeah, the baba.
Friday no ana. E watch the hono.
Friday na watch you.
And I was expecting so a nedwana. Hey! Me ready to go. Who am I? Adiano. The crowd I'm just hey. I'm crashing me. It's in Nankasa, the Nadia, and I know it is out there, Mammy.
A bono, a war hornman of pay. Na chese aviano so when you take a clan signy bricks aviano so abonnet. Okay, aviano bonnet the and soon no I will go mia be pray and baby on there and make us a very intensity. Okay, we are no be the everyone so be impediment no
impediment. Mira a duty opening. Is Akoma si watch out and I feel so Papa Reverend no so watch out.
Hey Reverend and I some fun watch out. Yo. Me so pa me na sense.
Yo. Mira, me that say.
Yes, when that's it.
Right, I'm for Mira duty eku no. Yes. Nyasem ketwa o. Kofo ani twetwe ba bi na bi so twetwe ba bi pa. Hwewi ma ho hwe. Obi hu Friday day na from Akoma area mu no yensia there about cyber security na Narrowlight International Company in fact you say no you tell say oh yeah bank manager na wutie me na say susu e ka wadwuma ho a susu e ka wadwuma ho a tie me magbrain oben one wo team no we have bank bridge now. No, a POS device, or more software. A Narrowlight for building. Ediaba. Na ebini Chrome ha. We a banking software. Yeah, no na. Usika sem the eba the aircore any sign many no. A recording in the mount. Nti mo amode susu aka mujumadi ho no mobile bankers no mo kwa e wo so munya device a software no eye kama gizane na so na di siga na obeje no onso ba bia obi a office no so behu de e koso ofem ade e man fa complain ya na sika no kra koje ye no ade ba ye no ye hu so ne ade pacho uhia bank bridge eno na credit unions ne microfinance micro credit institutions do na no was so nei omo reduce mobile banking fraud by 90%. The omo say so call mobile bank can call na say o customer no etua 200 cedis a device no record na print ya ma no nti recording that's a print ma no ansa no enter on the book the time bia no say oba ne so oba be yi ni sika or enough document to prove say sika we no tuae and also enough evidence and also say e am pa sika we no tuae nti obi antimi mfa sika ne bi wo mfimfi ho na bi nti TME na a friend Narrowlight International Company na omo na the computer friend no NICL all in one PC number eno na e say sa transformation na eba no so any cables bebre ni sa homa no ne ade bebre no o se da bi oyiri na afri ho na wa build monitor bibia ewo mu power system system unit storage everything ewo mu a wa build nti monitor ne pen a wo to de afri no ho ba bibia wo mu is a banks any other institutions no mu nyina no enso so about on board a eboa wo mu nti pacho Bomodin pa say on so be free. Now only now like this and common schools, hospitals. Screen size was the open no. No catch no share the amount. Storage no so you open na what capacity no be a open 256 to 256 gig to 1 terabyte. Obe ni na the amount. Timbacho bomodin so no be chirim na nedin komo. Kumasa Safuliba. Obe Prima filling station no. Our friend number is 0247 530432 0247 530432 0244 969075 0244 969075 and after 0507 718921 0507 718921. Wait, any narrow light numbers our friend now. Obehe na why the amount. Omo na boy a man opediano. Ya de cyber security hon komo edebrew. Na anopay minua Same Samuel Kwame Adomako. Ewa homa no so. Bra, ahoy de.
Da ahoy.
Eda yame ase, ahanso ye. Ahanso ye. Na odaroma ena no wo de ye fa hen wo adesua mu na fe yenko yanimu en. Nkomo be na ade ba no.
Okay ba. We check for me ahwefo. Na ene ye busua dia fa ye clipboard no. Minim say bi kan enchechre. Afa kwan a obefa so alemete kwan anyoma a copy or clipboard so. Na dia na san enchechre no. When to me end this year because anyoma we our phones me here to be piano. Odo clipboard no be man other copy anyoma den. Actual clipboard no so. Bra obi eti obi say na edie na ye friend no clipboard. Clipboard na boa in case you type your do phones not as all copy the next stage or copy na save your phone so for a period of time. Period of time is I always start your phone now do my phone so yeah. The big gusu chair to say if you are do my phone so. When pain the no hackers it's me the spyware to your phone so a copy sign because when you say no be a over copy be do are sensitive. Be na your bank details na wa copy to clipboard so I be paste to form bi so. Be na o card yeah we be payment online I will copy website be password na wa copy. And you thought that we get that information e bo mo mo timi hack into social media accounts into a bank applications. And also a MasterCard and a credit card crown, and also much near day. And the purchasing about common card because of information on Monsaka. To buy the interest, so you 200, the interest choir, device your phone, so the software be your phone, so now, so you have copy or clipboard details are we do, and answer app your phone, stay access to clipboard details without a manager. We do no idea. What down, either so they do my phone or so. Another limitation you see copy sign your man to a clipboard. It makes sense to be able to call the settings. Under settings, security and privacy.
Yeah, security. Yeah. Maybe the security and privacy.
Brian call okay, but you security, mommy.
Okay.
That's the part of controls and alerts.
Okay. Okay.
Controls and alerts. Okay, how do you microphone access? And alert when clipboard is accessed. It just say no. Even your alert, Abra update me access text, images, or content via wiring, what copy. Yeah, that clipboard. It's that how they need offer turning on. The channel says malicious app be an spyware app be that phone so on your way. Now the copy details or copy or clipboard and now be notify us say app we phone so copy details you have to call clipboard. No, it's me I add down also.
As a interview or higher na say ubo be a copy messenger. I'll say copied to clipboard no. Na who copy we we are that's all.
That's all. Phone name memory no SCV. Phone you and the memory no strong to understand the bit message so they do phone also.
Okay. okay, meme deɛ no ɛwɔ meme phone yi deɛ no deɛ ayi no saa deɛ wo kan ni wɔ privacy ɛhɔ na meme deɛ no wɔ
Okay.
meme deɛ no wɔ privacy nti me bɔ privacy no so me call down na me say clipboard access alert me deɛ no off nti me turn it
on turn it on.
Wow, nti say me copy message bi I say copy to clipboard na me deɛ me ye wi a that's what clipboard ho
But that's ho. If you know na spy applications here, if you know for website bi a wo download dia there na hacker CD through the spyware ya for that website to the amount. If you link bi a wo so ni ndas near the another person install that spyware ni bi the amount. See e ba sa na ye wo copy or clipboard na you access to it. See you talk about filter. You are ben wa copy the copy password bi. Password no copy no email account one. Or then I just log into email and that and then so being access to email with social media platform account be away we are Sibiano.
Hey, is I'll receive an alert whenever an app on my device accesses the clipboard. I'm turning it on. To turning it on means anytime be no app we person access my clipboard no. Menya alert. Okay. Nti omo de no so omo hu no. Omo nko privacy. Meme de no privacy. Nti okọ privacy now scroll ya bo say or say clipboard access alert. Nam de no off. See my turning on.
You never turning it on.
Asemo minya botre iPhone 4 chinamba nyamo de. Yeah, auntie.
That about iPhone as vulnerability, that being shared in the
okay.
Android na vulnerability in the also. About mobile application security.
Oh, okay.
Vulnerability high Android no.
They no, who on some.
I will point to the say. Platform na more device running was na open source. You can open source developer there what is so develop your application the money biano or who can so to then when you access to certain libraries what's Android at the edge juma if you say our libraries near access that they work to for bonnie no what need to now so then creating your bonnie or bed or doctor here US no. And the man vulnerability in the door some.
Okay. Right. Minia medase pa.
Na medase.
Right. So for some na otening kano na de wo hono no ntihye no soma me. Na bacho enenso no evansin kumba e be hwe de ekoso ewo Akoma FM 87.9 Iran. The Ekoso Iran. From Saturday, no near follow the Ekoso Iran between US and Israel. And the attacks are echo Iran so the impact. Yes, I mean Evan Sinkum has been following. Until ba Ibenya Brena Yashe. The Ekoso ho asaten rana Jonah Stolano who say omugusu a omototo missiles na we di faha na we di afa and pictures ni bi a eba no enye fe kra nti Evans bedura be hwe na fe ye di ho nkomo ni nyina mu no ye mu ni say no pay ya ba adwuma na me kan bi kire o say a new month. And it is Ghana month. Intino adia bia wo ye bia no dwene honhum se Ghana na wo. Say papa ye bone Susan so ne beba. Papa ye bone a ebesa ba be kan. Kwa ebia na wo de odwen se ugya ato ho no akọ. Ba unu e ba be fa ho. Say ura na wo ya unu abi so be fa ho to gi se wu jagu no akọ unia bi befa ho no wahome mframa no polluted a eno so wo ne effect e de mani pedua no betwa akire na afi wankasa wakwa kotua hospital bills betwa akire na afi wankasa so utu nro ade bia wo ye bia wo sunsanso say e wona odwin say affect you directly a chain no ebekwa akopie obi so enti you very careful ade bia wo ye ho said de be ya o kire bi no ye nyina wo man ye nyina na ewie na eze bunkunta na no mampani de state of the nation address e ba yi be wi e be said the home komo biu so ho ti ade bia wo ye bia no e won sunsanso dwene ho na mo man asem enye wahi asem
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi
dwene ho na ma de wo ye bia no enka ebeya nka nye papa bo homodin and of course osumi ti said ye na no ye di nkoma ba Ramadan sa na tie nka bosumi say no nti on our platforms you will see Niema Ghana to bon say you best start in here factories are you build it from Kwame Nkrumah time the plan ni nyina sa document ni nyina bosumi we ene ye be fa hwem eno ne ye be fa ne ahwem enti ye fa hwem no ye wi are we able to implement the air can be ana ye wi na ye jato na enkomra afin komra metu yen na ye ni hu nkomo timpacho this is a month ibenya near reflect fact ya hwe niema akoso within the period oh my God nya ifa ahundie ebeka sabri sa nkomo ni ebedi but don't forget say bibi akoso bia no one way or the other also so input what the beba dinei on radio we talk about a whole lot of things ni nyina no affect yen also dia na so ye de aboa dia na so de ye de aboa so ye hwe ne sa na moyen but from Mr. John Amejo so I Akoma 87.9 FM Ghana Akoma so nie pacho ko Facebook na share link no ma foforo nya bi hwe Ghana Akoma so on Akoma 87.9 FM and of course they have important hono dia na ekọ na
FM 87.9
now no care me for the statement by statement from the buyer no na ni nyina ekowie se wo mo ton chemicals ewo Kumasi City Market Dubai sa niema na mo ton wo ho no before the statement yes ejabi estate wo one of the shops omoton chemicals because of heat e wo ho ne adenti no ejabi start wo ho pay me checks e kere se nyame kwa and mene they no mene Ruby din come ho se nyame kwa Ghana eno because all fakage ti anu ankasa si ho a gi nyame kwa disi ma kwan ma ade bia betimi a control si antimi na ginsem that na make sure say how say wo connected to all the fire system wo ho no metal say sha no eno na say ye twe a ye de twe na ama obi a opuli ade no betimi apuli ade no yi no na etimi aye na adwuma no krofo akoyi na no he ana mekan nkrofo akoyi you see adesua ye nsua ye asoman ye koye nimu no any a problem because on 15th March 2023 eja eto kajetia ema yedi hu nkomo Ghana ha so obekaya na ye the year 2023 ntina a precede an election year. Enti Emma interest na ewo kroma ne kosoro nti behu a yes we aba Dr. Mahmoud Baumi aba that time Professor Jenna no Poku aba John Dramani Mahama aba we ba you see obia be donation say sika no kra ne say no eho asem eti say eho o kai say sika no na ebinom koye ya eho asem ba ya say adwadifo ne bi akɔgye sika bi ama wo mo a omo na nkomo ya affected ye say mfa ma omo sika na nkɔ efi ha na medi sa nkomo no. It was March 15th 2023 penifo bebre ne ba kroma saa de tie I mean oman no sa oh yenye na asem ba penifo ne beba si e ka sika e kɔ dwani mu a kai MPP ankasa be donation Justin Frimpong could lead team among be donation a lot NDC a lot of people be donation ni nyina ne say asem ba ye wi ya na yesiem bisa say firefighting system o hono say de afa ye ko bia mu a hey abusia emu niema eniema pa ewo dwani mu a che say apro hey smoke detectors sprinklers every bianye ehon ye ko hu say fire certificate crowd say get the mom no na fire certificate na expire because say firefighting system na ho nyaba pantino fire service en renew here time no e na abeka ya ye ko kan say insurance ewo facility ni mu no insurance na wu but company bia ni ho a o share risk no say the city e wodwani mu a obeka so be insure hey ye nya momenta e say ensu ato na a leakage asem crofoniema ye bisa insurance yes hey insurance ni o. It was after that time and I'm penning for set up committee that committee no you see now no me can ask me now repeat it ye kofa mpanimfo anim defo na ye de omo be ye adwuma and ye nya bi hey betima bo mpanimfo bebredi ye kofa mpanimfo de omo ba ne de omo be set up committee na omo be ye adwuma kama de omo nimu de ye wi ade report na ko share table ase sabi ne ye dim mpanimfo na tem omo nimu de no ene omo ne ye di omo tem enti yeti ha na ye set up committee kofa can you see anim defo mpanimfo ene omo wi report no ene aye can say report no local government ministry the last time Minian Centroni ba ko troko say okope through RTI as we speak omo release report no in that report na mpanimfo bi ho beka okrom because bi mo anyoma dwuma yi na ekrowe no you see you try say be shielding crofobia we try to protect them say ye di agra ebi no ba kire o mo ntini atena so fast forward and I say oh ye hwe as we speak sa system na ye kan wasem no the obi obeka cho say firefighting system o kaje tie papa bia no siri hu ye de anim defo na yenti ha na professor Kwabena Frimpong Boateng no mu nimu die nyina no ye tap into it say oh kamomra meboa ye afi omo ka no kra kire no ye say hey monkopa ba bi ntra na mo mpe yi sa na ye mpanimfo anim defo anti enei I know some professors are okay you say they will tell you be brave reject approach ebaye be brave because omo hu say at the end of the day we will give you a bad name my bad name now fe wo kra no integrity bia okuta no wo ko say wo contribute to oman no ganko but say integrity no ayira enya say ayira say wo na akoto twene yo adwuma na so wo koye enya nkrofo bi de enti no omu hwie no magu anim ase to omu hwie no magu anim ase and ye wo bebre penifon bebre we can mention names ebi say kakra na aboboyi and ye te ho Any and then they be drew her. Now, yeah, others. Yeah. The month of March. Minimum crano. And they may come be so the month of March and yet MIA in Kumasi ha. No kasem pansen keke month of March mo a. Gajadi fo am wo kajetia. Katuntum mo am wo kajetia na edu. Katuntum na mo se. Because it was 15th March 2023. And a kajetia ejakese to ho. Eno na maka ze bebire sisi. Ama shops about 54 shops are affected. I am reporting to you na say enipa na wo mo ho binom wo ha wo mutifie ebinom afrim. And one of the things that contributed to fire no chemicals here can once me. Because who say how our chemicals near explode pa biam a jano difficult say betima control na we so betima a jani biam near who we see on how an city because near my baby ho combustible and would join him. It was 15th March 2023. Yeah, we are report na capture near my was here. Yatra home. Sabi sine. Until say nanu fiada came for a take a decision. On March 21, on the 21st March 2025. Anopa. Emi na esi anopa o.
7.9 Kumasi.
Kajeti adie esi anopa pa. Atami ewurem na nya call. Eja to kajeti a. Na ye kan ho asem ha. Na nim se bi eja bi a ebe taking a few minutes bi na bi ampanifo dum na fe fire self we na ma ya na mukofo we mra fe fire tenders kra na ehwan ye de eduru ba bi na cranes a wo mo de ye phase 2 no and also omo lifting wo mo see na nkrofo fa so si fam the action and near course wo ho and we'll show you some of them any ate ho ne de abeduru ha March 21, March 21st, 2025.
87.9 Kumasi.
Anna, anopa 5 a.m. Any ati say eja aso adum. Hey, ade asemwa. Hey, ebedum no. Hey, adu hefa. Afa na bia to atwene ha, PZ. Na bia to atwene ha. Yekohwe ya. Pam. Eja to adum ampa. Hey. If we are no, the Jana see the best blue light. They see the trek actually. They see the koha. They see the faha. And also, it drew baby. Afe
87.9 Kumasi.
Dear Neko. So Bekaya, or they call you go through and open the okutafuna. Bo, you who stories about how when he donates this, how when he donates this, how when he donates this, how when he donates this. And then penny for the bell chroma. And I said, young can once a minute. As you see, yabba penny, yabba dear. And now, and they, Yawa, young she.
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
Any at home. Any ejanu ne bru pato me ka wasem me ka why aya ne ye consistent e won ye ma bi ho ejanu ne bru enti me say nka match dura match eye Ghana month hwe any show and yes janu free ekwa ha e free ha e fa yes janu e so no em say bibi wom o sha explosives bi wom nti piam na we tu afa buyam na we atira kwa ha ewie ye shinkrofo japade ewie shinkrofo japade enei ye kan na no so sika no so mo hwehwe ebi akodi baabi na no so mo hwehwe sika no mo hwehwe bi. You see, a drama mfo so ya na ye kai ya no. Ye na nanom na kai o. Ye na nanom na kai o. Say a drama mfo so ya kai ya no. Enti me bosumi a ye wura mu yi. Enye say bia oh yeah we say something bad will happen to, but me say match adwadifo yenye careful. Any prada da yenye careful. E had a man regional minister name fire service for you should be by. Then what you cry no? Fire service for recommendation ben na mo de command penny for. Eya mo ma ye hu bi. Oh, and a standard procedure, you know. I see a submitted report to the man penny for. Now, I'm na ye penny for implementing. Near to home, and penny for are not ready to do it. The oil be was row. And yeah, say, ni amakwe. Omo nyina ba ho. Sympathizing with them. Jessica. Eba ne say, ni nyina ne say, ya nye serious. Yamfia ne ansi fam. Ai yamfia na ansi fam. Enti hwe me kan besi sen. Me kan besi de
Akoma FM 87.
ekoso wo kajetia ho. Me I fully support Anamona KM2 no. Fully 100%. An opponent your story say a man say yeah more time. There is no time. And your man kwa mema ka. There is no time. Because you see, nkeye, oh, they are more can nkeye.
Akoma FM 87.9.
But the situation at hand, after some incident, you recording other incidents. Potentially, nanke betimi amedwa me, I'm telling you this. Hey, wawa mo kasa no. Na no, ayi omokoye survey and as checks omokoye tax force omo ekodwani mu no. One of them, but in front of back was more say, hey, we are sitting on time bomb. Because they said yeah, Ukraine, any where US, Israel, Iran.
FM 87.9 Kumasi.
Ntokwana ekoso no. Na those days no na ye nkrofo o ma plant bomb wo mo ho. No ma ko fra nipa. Sa na ma se na nse ye hu bi. No ma ko fra dom. Buyam. And it said o ma plant bombs ewo edwanim. Time obey na mo pe no. Time obey. Me say nkaye but we Sadia we.
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
Sure. Now, even before this, no incident we see, there was a report. A jadifona mojun mono. You catch him say, a near manoa, a combustible, a bit my catch fire, a bit my explode, Sani marina mun free dream. And a matna penifua take a firm decision. What's on Tiasia na yamamo time?
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
Adabraka. Where dear me? Some penifua caso my time. Oh, na say from Thursday ne banana. Ebinuma yomo dear. Ebinum ayomo dear free dream. You see, ye kind. Me huyanka. And ye say yanka yo. mo say mo betena fie ekom bede mo
Akoma FM
mo yere ne mo
87.9
mma ko school mo kom bede mo anthem mantra wo krom ha. At any point in time, this is near and combat the your money, your yerenom, your invest your sika. It is good. But you see, so our investment now can once no. A bit more cost the entire facility. A bit more cost the entire facility. Manchester must see a small association of chemical sellers. KJT. The Ben and Modim Association. A champion is Adi. The Ben and a Modim Association. A champion is Adi. We have had countless times. Sanya Maya see. Ama me a hakrano ya report. Ebini we more containers. Bebre Google containers. How many times and a Modim Association? Like I say, let's do proper education. Yenya education farmer ma omo ton sa na manu wo because we heat say heat no kosra it me catch fire. How many times and am I education no and I must say and yenya ni say me say enka de mo kan here but we especially period e wo mu there enka say e bibia be ma time but niam bi wo ha yeah, sir, now risk. And you take it, you're dangerous. We say the month of March. Nkedru ha. Nka edwanimu mpanimfo. Kamo tenase. Na mo hwe fire abedwanimu no. The major one no ye March 15. Nka next second March. Nka mo start. Dru ha na kamo fa edwanimu nyina mo hwe niam enko yie ni ade because Janon tam. Your boss wa. I mean, I make us say, we are sure some bossy. Mammy be an hoshi ya as we speak or tiffy. I am just a few ones been as about Johnny Moore, my pair. Baby hoshi and as we speak, I'm going to me near my home. Yo, a hawker crown I see, you know. Any intimate, your entire facility come from the air. What will happen to the region? In fact, as we speak, phase 2 crown, you who the echo.
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
Diama phase 1 no. Etimi accommodating crofon. Yama no so e medrungu fam. Enti anopai dwene se Ghana ni dwene. Enye Ghana ni na egu enwu no enye no bi. Nya dwen foforo said ya wo kan ene wo kan amosimo pet time mo buy time yama mo time on ade. Say ochina penifo so mam time so ochina. So ochina na bibia si na ya ade we ya. And me say penifo no mo ye shocked.
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
Omo fa dwanimu no mo ye shocked. In fact, they are now omo kra no edwene say tie wo dwanimu no. It is even worse. Marfo niema hihye baby mia bi pa. You see, there has to be a change. There is a need. So also mine and samba at a particular point in time. Until there, mumpe mami mumpe zuba mami na mimusa no say enra na no mo ka so mo be kodwanim. Omo to Sunday ene. And then,
FM 87.9 Kumasi.
Chemicals, explosives. No. 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 Si etna ho ye ne saa oman ye nimpa se Ghana de aha yen se sie de aha se sie no eye chaw
Akoma FM 87.9
kuntun tuma kese ene saa ne ena aha ye no kente no mo won tade papa wo suit akese no And na ha ya asem ba ya o no matietem yen konko pachew and ye ko pachew a afa ni ete ho ni ayi ani yesi a entra ho saa enti ene said Zuba I didn't let her but now more letter no amu benya amu fa nto so ma me na yen kai wo we video ya ma mi wadwa see asam na ba so a won be defend won be defense o people defense esi de ne makwa ma sa ne ma we ba bia yenim say heat ewo ani atoto ne ma ase to ne ma ase ekoka ese ne de da bia no na ye won krofo so but ehun hia na o se ye won krofo so o se ye wo mo so
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
ehun hia na o se ye won krofo so a obi on them and then Richard Honorable Richard kwasi ofori agimambo adi kinzuba ye hwa na mo amutu but eno no nkyerɛ so sɛ ye yi omu firi hɔ wi a ye gya omu saa yini de ye nyini e mani firi hɔ ni empe ba bi mo omu nkɔ ba bi papa e beboa
Akoma FM 87.9.
ya hwɛ ha dodo
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
enti wo hwɛ the last paragraph now I'll say last but one. I'll say pursuant to this directive, a team of security task force comprising military, fire, police, NADMO, and national security. If say you consider Sangrofo power, I am not sure say fire for will agree that there should be an extension. I am not sure NADMO will agree that there should be an extension. What the police and military, the inform on change. But some two institutions, we want to advise us. I am not sure. Say fire, you take professional advice from fire. Fire will say there should be an extension. I am not sure. Say NADMO, if you take professional advice, NADMO almost prevent fire disaster prevention. Akoma. I just ask them the same question. I'm saying, "Man, I'm more there. I'm more NADMO. There no more." Nanwa Dagomba line see Dagomba line see no niema ko ho nyina me check practice enye NADMO niema
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
enzo no mu di akire me check say Zuba and the yes arrangement enye NADMO niema enzo no mu di akire kunta NADMO mu ni hwe into disaster prevention Akoma ho and you hear any say that move will come. March is not a good month. Or say the name of the agro. Not no money, personnel crowd, personnel that be omusu. Now about a logistics. Omunishi. We are sorry. Maybe I will tell you. And you will see Martin.
Yeah.
Boko there.
Nyamiadum boko so yeah. Nyamiadum. Yede radi asia no pain so. Se amaya ho den say emfansum Ghana man no so na ahyase.
I.
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
Ghana man.
Bia emfa no.
And there say mashem no.
Obi emfa no so.
Ana hu say mashem no. So di yemo no. Unso di yemo no.
Oda dana.
There be unshem ma hada. Nye say
oda na.
Oda ba fi ada. Debbie o ntino nya say ayi uto no nra o say bo ha apoma se mache but and now the be pia ka say waje mu no she wenju no say ogetwa mu asetena no we urefi jim mu no say ya me kai pa say brebi am squat ade na mu egua di nyankopɔ say me ndan kwasi ada wadodo me ndan kwasi ala kra be ye den ya pam squat ade mama me yade ba Thursday Friday me see me show dey be so she
Monday na ko o de atina
me ndan kwasi ada be shem finfin na dey no say dey school ntem no aza she saw me there friend saying iron titi iron friend saying box iron if she saw ma nti waje mu nche say oto no nra bacho
Akoma FM 87.9
hey okay nti Ghana man
KJT I think well came is on my going.
I almost say after nra ne dey yeah show me nim say almost say after nra
Okay.
Sunday first
Okay.
nti see a tracing ke bi wura ho na guy no madin komo
well ne kwan so asan hye ne de ye nyina ye fo so se en bibi betumi asie anamontu foforo betumi aba na ye fi se no na edija hye no eba ho no na that will be the solution there ye nyina ye fo so but Sir John one way the other no ye be sempenim for so say ye ka wo mo so no ye tu wo mo no we should make sure say and she share was say the go akwam no ye de go akwam am yeah in as much say person you omo free ho no eni kwa say ekoma bre no ye bre tintin bebre sa so that say ekoye bre tintin bebre ekoye tintin a emmo on because omo so edwa no mu di nti say omo di dwa no na say ne ye se omo free ho na ye do omo ko race course na bi ekoye 87.9 afi na baby e de omo ko no kra no
afi kra de mananya
ye nya yi a ye nsiesie ya even kra bosumi mienu bosumi ensa kra Sir John say a case so that say nipa no ko tena fi ana say baby a o ko tena ye adwuma no so another thing even though sa nyoma o motonton ni nyina no enyoma one hweso yi a etumi de how ba and is part of our daily life enyoma we fie num ni ade no ka ho bi enti me de say na me check me say whilst our hweso will be you ma free no we should make sure say ho no mo ko no bibia is in place say be ya mo so benya ba bi atena edi omudwa na enko affect omo ne omo dependence a omo so hwehwe bibia free omo because the basa no na eno so efa ba bi no so anyi but Sir John ye ko ye nimu no say me de me use say kemi ewo other alternative bi a wonyo the alternative a ewo ne say emanu mudi sa enwoma ne hudwa no omo kidetia on for now say kemi hu say race course no nya ready a me de me madwin nko a say race course no nya ready a enwoma na omabo ne mabe wona produce heat na ene na eja atom na we atom kebe ya ye mo munyi nyoma no so bi kura mfiri honom
omo yi so bi ndie
tie de meka
omo nyi mfiri wazo omo nyi so na
tie de meka no me o de me kasa ma ko huntintin ma na betre
da be ade asem ka omo nyi bi na omo nyi so
nyi nyoma no mfiri honom ene ma na mo yi afiri honom se atie o solution is nipa na wo yi no ba bi ade na ekono another ayi o Sir John yen hwe sesi a kemi onye already say o mo mba bi atena and one nipa no what shop no wato e wo say problem eba enyoma eba no yesi ya no kwan a enye yi ni ade but ye betumi aye bibi wo ho a ye me ka no say yete so kosi say bi a kemi arrangement for omo wo race course no be yi a yenye ne sa dan say yesi omo mfiri wo kra na fei nipa no okobo ne bra say
came in caso mufio na no ye ne zubadi nkomo say o si edwa no shop no eye wo dia but ade na eye wo dia onyi mfa mo bia but ade na wo ton wo ho ade na wo ton wo ho no eye ade a ebitimi adi ewu
metiase se obetumi aton ade foforo ho but ebi a nipa no ono so eni aye ka say ne ho anya nso ne kwankro but me mfo so say etu om enye say me tan say etu om no name me problem ne say there should be an alternative say nipa no aye pam na kono onko ye burden ma obi a anase ono so ne dependence so emedi awe ho mesu say na ye pam bosumi mienu ne bosumi miensa ne me nso come de many ade
say nipa baako shop nipa baako shop and a pager ema 15th March 2023 fire no
e buy
nipa be 80 ekotena fie bi no mawu
Akoma
of course
54 shops and affected over 54 nipa baako ye wie ne apia de akose bibi ye pia de kwose fire service nipa baako edwane mo mo yesay amambro so be after 500 crown now how many shops there nipa baako and you see permit checks yes so mo koy and near man I say ya hihye bomb
said the way almost crown also said John the way almost crown man in fact me the last time I called no I wasn't happy enya ade a ye beso so ne mo media me can say
me say
they wo can no provision for
they wo can ye say wo mo ankrofo wo mo dan wo mo nasem no eto a esia wo mo kra no nkrofo no be affected say jato ho na say ejapade a eni aye kasa nipa wo mo kotena fie no ebi no ntimi ensi wo mo dada mu me si bi no mawu yawdie ene ade sika efiri nkrofo ho kra nso ekọ odwani mu no after sa ayide no 15th March de no 2023 de no sika free what they go through the archives so be donate the cost so 1 billion 2 billion nasifo sika ikra no eduru ba bi kra na wo mo cross sika no koduru mo kra na anko Matis Omo association no, what has been the impact wo mo de abadwanim how often and almost omo call rounds akohwe adwumadi omudi ho me masem yes I agree with you that maybe I do omo konu kwase eja omo saa but this is KMSA at this particular point in time within this period no yentimi entertaining and so say I mean let's give time okay yes ne kwanso ke mabre but me say give them 1 month they will still be there
Akoma FM
1 year they will still come back and tell you say enough. There is always a period changing back. Let us do it now because edano sa de ni see no yes baby ade ni see krebe omo transform ewo dwanim
yeah
sa de ni see awia no Thursday awia no ma omo issue statement no because yaso ache yaso ache too much how long
in this John o de me de kakra me kan ho but I also picking some information say now can be regards to omo fire lines na no omo twetwa no even me din komo kakra bi I think last week no information na me pick wo sa particular information a on eche about fire for no moyi no omo hu ma ya say ye twetwa no ni adem me pick information be from ground so omo say last year somewhere issues ni started you know and on the mark a friends of fire for need 2 or 3 on no money bubu no mo ye ho yi no omo the mark contract say so omo ensesa sa we na no the access ni nyina no and yes o ma ye bi no ebi akemu omo nye but em o say san komu ya ba ye di nyina no fire for no so kran so be kan ho we
omo the krata omo the krata ama
BBC na tie
omo the krata ama management nsem crofo na tutu omo de enye omo asem
nye omo na tutu
crofo na tutu
right
enti Ibrahim
Sir John
kolafia
lafia lo
sanu kade anale sandals wa
and de o twa
sandals wa sandals wa ne yede akwaba nti na me
o de o respond o zero so we obuzo bi no
me ya no anyway And Kulafi and the send him in the
so good morning.
And the Minchadi Minimpa, Jadi, in trust one and I asked him anyway. Ibrahim, you're Ghana man, Timu.
You're Ghana man.
It's your month, my month, and a good month. I'm sure it will be very fine. It will be very fine.
March the blessed month.
Yeah.
O de month obi ewure ntimi mfinu. Because then we are Ghana ni nko ha dia onim say.
Akoma
Ghana bosom. Aha enti o Ghana mu nko ha dia wo pe o match. Eye oman ni na bosom. Enti ene de ohun ya ye o ye match na
no choice.
Wow, there some special respect be. Yeah, crow mine. No crime there crowd there that's wrong. 6 match na. Enti o se mo jeje me so fie.
Ai enti no. Bibia be fine.
Yes, yeah there.
Bibia fine.
87.9
Ghana ntade na kopem yi. Say be wura the following month, but bibia fine, bibia fine, Sir John. Sir John, market asemi me hu se we ni abere pa
a match a very dangerous month for yen in terms of size. I was giving this
say 15th match.
Any
15th.
Confone gina ho hwe any. Ayi de no so 21st match.
Na me gina ho.
Ayi adum de no a na na you na afi
match nso amanfo di eboni pa ho na match Ghana manti na ye de hwa ye ho so na amanfo pese o mu say no, but Sir John, preventive measures ade ye pa dan say obetwe na ade na esi na afi na overreact to it. Say based on findings, maybe I research, be na findings na actually say those explosives, you know, and how bad they are.
87.9.
I will say it me relocate to it because international money pa ba kumienu shops and affected the entire KJT. Omo muton explosives, you know. Obekono Sir John minjindi say ombebru 200. Minjindi say omo ton explosives and more shops or no. Ombebru 200. Until we can't risk it. Say betwama sadie no etimi akoso say ye wotine na entwi kan dem ne ya adwene onzo ntimi nka say utu na efiri okra. Esanse store no na automan. And the fact say ya ton store amount so interest say ubetimi aton de upe bia because bibia ne bebia yetimi ton no untimi nka say store no me ana mato enti oho no me be manufacture guns ho ana me be da bi bibia wo beton kra ye je won license ni bia wo betimi aton no. And the ebe ye yan say Sir John enya wan so say obekọ na ebi mu okra na omuton some of these explosives but omu ni license
Akoma FM 87.9
because I'm no money na o ton a e wo say o acquire license ma ebe hwe say bebi a wo ton no oho ni a suitable place a wo betimi aton ansa na ya allow ama waton enti say bebi na o say epem omo no omo beton announce say onzu uni say untimi njaya anende ya pe bebi ama but ubetimi nso ejai na wakofa no mafoforo abeton so a that's fine. Na etimi abo ye na eja ne de ebetimi ato but ye hwe kwan a say eja no kra ne ba
87.9
and spreading ko bebi bebre. Aha, enti na ye prevent the first one here preventive means a obetimi I pe kwan a obetimi in the first place a prevent eja no. Say no anye yi a e wo say nya another means kra say ade ni si a impact no enye severe.
Yeah.
And these are the things I was say. Yes, sure, because sure say oh, and I me to and me didi. Na BBC ebi o kra eja no en sha say oh shop mu. Wow to explosive. Nearby shop. Bi a oton
Akoma
bi.
FM
But
87.9
eja na etimi
Kumasi.
spread ya be wura wo de na e be wuram no. Eno na e be ma de no. Situation na move from bad to worse. Because ewura wo de na papa. Say na spread akọ baby. Enti nhyehyɛ pa but yɛn nso yɛ take saa decision no na yɛ pɛ alternative.
Yes, I agree. But we cannot say maybe the problem is that yes, me. Who knows?
Bre no, we don't know what will happen and
cry will be nim the bit messy. And then be also say na me ready to go cause we nso e bedo to the tender name as or china bi and I work no say jano to a the eboa the fuele ejano. These are things we must take away from here na ebetima boy na. I think say eno mumu will help us. Zuba say omobeko they are going to make sure the right thing is done any other. Anyway, nti eno hon so ede eno no. Na other incidents de no galamsey de no wo ezikro de ataniata.
Say anope obi frame em say na kronoma mixing media outlet ni bi ko report to say see wo
Hwidim
tontokrom
but
ye de omo prayer no ko hwidim na me say ana wo na wo ye report
from tontokrom hwidim
eno enumre ye reporter or em say we can call him Armstrong
yes
entry
yes entry
enra
entry kasa ba betimi bi betimi na kasa ne ahwesa update bi aba
the to platform no say mining be pit bi cave ama people are feared dead even though na
87.9
my confirmed report as at enra and as to how many are trapped obi frame say ni say but me gidi ye say anope dey your friend am maybe onu betimi ama details no but John Galam say nsem mi sa pit obi o say na de bia de ebuku omo nso omo njai omo no ebi mo omo ni say ebu na eku ebi mu kra no na ma gold no ba mo rituals say ade no aye ne rituals ewie nti afa na ejuma no ekoso but yeah to some of us there say John wa cause environmental crime there say environment na ni wudi a ye de efo so environment no na wa say no e no say ono a take ne je ono a meti out justice and now punish you for destroying it enti ono so environment na be ka say we I say nipa ye ka say nipa yawa you be obi aba na obeku na okofa na ogbo njeni so ko ti na ba ina wa bo ni ti mu ko se obo e na wo so no obi an environment o say environment no no so e defend no ana say ejo na enye sanity enti ene de yeni hu asem bebre bi aka una oti o ye legal na bibi say akoto there then we can sympathize with you and your family but ye illegal ko say ade no na ade nse de o be say me me say wa say John me de me shede ni bibi papa bi aka fa because ya aka wan asem aka
yes nature
is taking its no say and the politicians mumbe boa me na mumbe sebu me a me ankasa I will save myself ɛno ɛna yɛahyɛ aseɛ ehu.
Nti I've seen some pictures no yeah night pictures be
Akoma
okay
FM,
the time
87.9 Kumasi.
hey where is UDM hospital hono no
amanfo akɔgu ɔmo nkɔhwehwɛ ɔmo abusua.
Sa ne area ho ya na nye ho na mkɔhwe 9 months for okay.
Nature is taking its course.
I'm strong wa homa no so na mame no eni nkomo na emusa de akoso from enra na beka ena no pe be ma otimi nka mame mo achi bibi aboko de
Zajon, you hear mo? Na mo so de.
oh yes I mean hi
Ya de MPDC na ma kona da nkaka.
na mpacho e de na sie
Yo, Zajon no pay meko so achi ma che no chief na aye me dey twa mu ya unu say ba region ni asantuma ntemu a e taka say Saturdays afufu no and ekwa Ghana ba bia kwa man for kandi na no me dey twa mu ya ba say enyume no mu ko no sia so ana yeye ne che say galensam na bia buo watane ata wo mo nim tepakwan a etwa mu ko go so no ofi fidie mu a okuku bi e fa na atane ata amane ekwa bi wo ho no ma etwa mu ko pemu awo bi nkoma ho no nan sei na yeye ne che say galamsey bi ati wo ho ma aye man kire ko bu pa enti amane bo no che say won mu wo ho mo ye adwuma ya no mu samra no che say abu mu asa bede mranche mu bu ase na nya mranche kitowa edi wonso mu ana wo mu yiri pe wo ho no na se mranche be se dudie wo mu yi wo mo na wo mu nyina ato na no awo sedo a na aya re ho sem papa na say
o si ni pasai
mranche du de be ka sa respect de nanti ma akoma ko du de wonu nyina akegya obi ani ho a waka ho a wati ase a wo hwe se obesa di dunya bi nti ababe bi che kese o na no so nkanfo no wonu ma no mo ho no mbo amane ne kire se ibi da so hye ho no nti fi ditenu ano eni ano pay a me san abesa ko site ho no no wo bi che so bo ko press ka bi che sa wo metina bi tu ehun se nanti bi a efi ni ndano ne no ano a omunya nkofi a wo su se no mo sha ase no ọmọ àwọn ẹsẹ àpá ṣiṣẹ ọmọ ṣiṣẹ hɔ no mamana no kọ ọmọ anaasẹ ẹti sẹyìn èdè àbábẹ yà sẹm kẹsì a ẹsẹsẹ èdè ẹni sẹ bí ṣe ẹni de abọ ẹfa ẹyẹ kwan no so nyinaa ẹsan sẹ nkurutu atratra so vidie mu ẹwuram so atani ata ẹne nkasẹ mu kọkọ so deɛ anya hwɛ kura no obi adehyɛ maako ɛfifi mu a àbábẹ yà sẹm kẹsì ẹsan sẹ hɔ no pie saa no dodoɔ na efifi saa nkuro a wɔn ɛkɔ hɔ nom na afei na ne yɛ sɛ na ɛyɛ mimi dɛ ne nsa bɛtumi aka postal fence mu ɛnɛ yɛ dwada ne nsa mimi dɛ si yɛ ne ti na ama akɔba saa ɛnɛ yɛ dwada yi ne nsa bɛtumi aka postal bi na me ne wɔn adi nkɔmɔ bi so a wɔn so apam deɛ ɔnabɔ kɔlɔndaw da ne kesua so na asɛm na si anɔpɛ yi yɛwɛ sɛ nso ebenya no ne ɔnabɔ di si onuafo ɛyɛ asabe na wɔn nyinaa de nkyɛn mu kakra de ama yɛn na sɛ adeɛ baako a meso mpɛ sɛ megyina so na metufu kakra ne sɛ ɛmɛ yɛ nsɛntwerɛfoɔ no da ɔbɔ nyinaa no sɛ yɛka garanti na asɛm ara ne yɛtaa ka nsase no ne nsu ɛsɛ no ne mu nko a garanti ɛsɛ no afɔregye no yɛ asɛm ketewa no bi sɛ a mea sɛ nsɛntwerɛ no meyɛ dokumenti bi ahwɛ na makyerɛ nnipa dodoɔ a metiawa galamsey agye ɔmo nkwa afi ɔmo nsɛm no ɛwɔ sɛ bɛbɛwuo no paa ma nnipa hunu sɛ nyɛ asase nko ne nsuwansuwa nkɔnɔ mu no yɛabɛhyia a daakye nwoma bɛsi mpanyinfoɔ anan no wɔn nso na ɛkɔ no nti yɛma nipa agye nso nko a galamsey ɛgye kɔ ne wɔn a wɔn mu wu a aba abɛyɛ ade kɛseɛ anaasɛ ade huhu bi a nyina hɔ sɛ ɛka wɔn asɛm yi fi hɔ nom na deɛ na wɔkyerɛ mu nipa amama hu galamsey no sɛdeɛ kɔfa ba a yɛ maa mu na ne bu yɛ ne kasa kyerɛ me sɛ wɔn a na wɔn tu galamsey yɛ wɔn afufu mi wɔn mu wɔ saa bi a wɔn tu ne bi yɛ kusie deɛ nze wɔn a wɔn akɔ kusi bɔn no anaasɛ wɔn akɔ kusi pɛɛpɛɛ no kusi no tu kakra na kyerɛ sɛ ɔkɔ saa so wɔn asase na seɛ no wɔn tu ne bɛyɛ sɛ 7 feet kɔ a afei wɔn nkɔ bi wɔn nam asase ntinti boys no ɛwura asase na seɛ wɔdi fa ɛni sɛ obi ɛdi fafa na ɔkɔyi buo mmienu mmiɛnsa bi to fam a afei na ebi ano saa aboɔ no kɔ na ɛsɔ asase no mu nya nkwa wɔ aseɛ wɔ no sɛ agye abɛgu ɔmo so nti ɔmo wuo no sɛ ne kɔfa ba ɔmo si tu no sɛ de ɔmo si yɛ ɔmo no ɔno sɛ plan bi anim obi apini sika asɛ ɔmo yɛ fi nkwa no ɛna ɛkɔ akɔfa saa asobe nti na
esi anadwo ana
esi memenda no num ne fa ɛkɔ no nsia no so ɛna yɛnya ne kyerɛ sɛ saa esi ɛwɔ hɔ no
I a Sutif South.
TV South, yes, honorable conductor Precious. I
Hona Naimos attacks no near the coin.
Yes, I want to see it. Now, where the Ataniata, with a baby, Namo Jenny no, and feeding and
there's a Tanya okay, Minia, okay, Tanya tells you about him. Some boys, you move from Miami and Bisha.
I Saturday. If you want to medium Kokana, we can't go Gania, made many in the other with one, and one, a one, something for necessity.
There's a bansa.
Now, if you follow now, away Banabo or Modia Kawana, we said to news had the empty of the new Mukuni for the young Kobat.
I say, I didn't read him about Tanya. Who read him who are Taniata? I read him there, baby, maybe I can wear landmark cry. I did be a whole planet the super and I reach you my is can you say. Now I know per se. As a can I must see and see the forward. Boys in our mobile side of Shidim. It will come maybe Sufia Taniata. Yeah, this year, I'm far a Futobia Marcella and Masaka Menimza.
I'm going to say, me and Cassano, me is a woman with you because when is Rita, I don't know a you who, and then who can be a person good woman and that could be. Be our I had your Senka, the be a video, Senka boys in Ukrano, woman crying chase of souvenir, and as will be crying ramen Pamo. Woman partner, I say, the woman say, I had none paid the bill, Nippon Uni if you come over, and yet you say, yes, you don't know free, the non crow engineer, you know, Nippon Fisabi, maybe as a man will buy it. If you know the partner, by every crowd fee, a little, everybody had a man. I have a woman, Thomas, who stands the honor, why obey a hole. If you look at the move, I'm saying, papa, and yes, because 20 years, I can once around here, but I'm saying, no, ever, and I say, no, never is not a family $10 so quite some.
Now, what's it so far? No one DC and County MP on this one.
For now, they are in so much. Cannot do a day now. Over a set of nation advertisement to get no time. And he didn't say the affirmation that you are the idea. Ebia Obeba. And he may not question council. I may have a couple morning. Now, my pay honorable a member of parliament, honorable conductor. No, it's not from the idea. My honorable DC should be ready to be a source. Now, like a sense of million could tell no money age man. No new movie. I paid for crying and Casa. And now I got that. I had baby can age my show. No, you don't know woman. Me and Macasa so many to look at Kamai.
Okay. Minia, Meda Sepa, Dizia, they wait to confirm. It's a nipper do. And now, nipper do the who could St. Elizabeth Moshra, Omo. And I might be more pra, Omu, but Oma Prepra. Yes, it didn't swear pra, Omo Pra, me young nipper do. So, for now, no, more we you and crowd and Nanka, and now, what about survival? So, a free memendano, a bicinano. Omunji nkasa but omudu omohome aha tipa mienu nipa du mienu omunyi wo no omudu de na ono free but mienu a aka na chi no omunya home a na ono mo home nti omo de omo awo ho no ma doctor febu omo so omo hwe wo omo maka no en excavator no gusu ye adwuma no ane na say binya wo mo wase ho e san say bi ko bi mo omo so omo ko ho no omunya nkufi en nti omo kan say omo so afre so mo be no phone ko aso fra en connect say musu say bi omo so aka sa seletima omo de excavator ye ko adwuma mpempe aminokas I see anti enipa dompa na abo ayisa no de bi free hwidie mo bi free atane ata bi free nkro no bi ye den nkro no bobi ma menwe ade nkro no bi ye den
so atane ata afi buni krum ekogo so se dom wom die wom pa nkondos bebre no mo
and go shot dom abegu hospital ho ya.
Yeah, that was you know so if you didn't send that hospital no but in the kitchen because people do the obi abusia for ebia miensa na do ba and no man yanko for just say in fact so don't we say bra you be who didn't send that Elizabeth Hospital where bra Chairman Jerry former MPP regional chairman every no and a don sa a call on so yakwa sa and na ofi wo ho no mama don sa kwa if you want no you don't say our hospital ko say something we see anipa about Chinko or Ubia or Ubia Raho. Because Nantiano, Ushu age, you know, Fibes 22, 23. We are the one who supply the other in fear the assignment and fear the assignment. Woman young go far, or may you be brain team say, na Abaya Papa Papa, Mubu Sai Simu, and Popimo Ayana, Ahutina, Dom Sakopimo.
Okay, Minia, Mame, and now I say, but Mamene, the Nana Adu Bunsu, Ahafo, regional Nadmut director. Mamene in common here, the almost so yeah, so me to me, as if you would also I say, or my Juma could do what stage. Nana, good morning.
Good morning.
Minia, now Hunamu ya dear. Yami adom ya ho ya ho semo a memenda ne si ye wo atani ata e ho nkoma no pay yedi ya reporter e dey reporter ma ye na no pay actually na o ka se mo ye effort bi asem betimi ahwe na bi no so se ni pani bi aka ho ene ade mbacho mo na mo ntu amatu as nadmo e wo site ho no dia na betimi aka kire yen
Ibawase na manchia ekivu na Ghana furu na utia institute koma company Marfo the regional minister na manchia na bi furu na no ko ifia na ndo ade be chen ni dan ni yantia sembe na oba hafo o konko so ni fo atare fa o de wa mam na ko de bi fo ko kwa Rawa ni ya ni tiwese ona epe from egudi no asafi no egudi no ebi ma fi omunko nti ya ni police fo na kabo no na fire service fo ko kama esa ni di ka to so di o mo ni kakra ni pa be aduasa ni mo ko sti enwa no di na iti akara se nipa me na powerful any police for call ho ni hu pe o ma ye nyame bia ni Elizabeth Catholic Hospital fi di ndi na ye top edu ena mu fo aso so ni na mo je ayarha o afafu afafu nti no ye ni police woni fa attention ni police woni hu pe e bit ma ba se be asase no ni se ni ntu ni si to ni di ye ni di ebia na ebiakam nti ya kan ho bom ene we ga this team executive for war city south we fit in ene mpanyifo no efese ibi timenya excavator ibi na ya sa yene bi efi na efese ampa ibi bi akamu ana nti si ya na nti si ya ho bo ana ya ta no waro ayi nyen no and the meeting can see be as a little no my yamidi mama nko
ana mu nan prepare wo mo jaare
na o mo so a prepare nan na o mo jaare ala ho na so no me ma pamfu ni police for the fact so no bo amako ala sabi ya ko sra o kama me ko ya na ho di mo so eh woman na so ya eh Elizabeth Catholic Hospital wo mo ye na e je se yeah, we do know next day idea so
87.9 mu whatever
the process of not money the rent for me I say the this idea and the NCCB you know my pound for the any pedi I call me I don't know anyone now na question o kasa no e kasa e ka so this so let's hear you dey e me the whole hear mbere ni dey o mo twi e wi fu ho e barkeji ho nti yemi Ghana police no and fire service no ama nga bi bi ho a be ya mo san ko bi ya ho bi
okay nti mawie operation house mo ye bi a rescue mission amoko mawie
ya ye ni se ko pu se igu a ni fa no pe ni ka an ku di ni bi na excavator no efe na etutu ho yia enne be me yetina kasi so put dia se dia na mi fere bi de ni ti dia eyi ba ko na bi ni na ti ni mo yen tin fa ni ko wu se na ti na kata ho ni tin fa ni ti ni ntumi na tentro wa bra yɛn hwɛ sɛ yɛ skamita no bɛsa ahwɛ na ɛho de sɛ de hɔ no
97.9 Kumasi.
na mo kɔɔ hɔ no ɛdeɛ na ɛbɛyɛ the course. I mean mo deɛ na man no ba saa moatumi
mɛtumi no maka sɛ mene mapamfoɔ kɔ ɛri nyinaa yɛnyɛ agudie sɛ yɛturu fam yɛnyɛ ɛbi dadeɛ na mmom na ɔmu ka biribi kyerɛ sɛ ɔmofrɛ biribi sɛ bɔ na yii ayɛ ɛmatie no mu ne asase no mu no na aboɔ no a ɔmunya agudie no wɔ mu no anaa gold no wɔ mu no ahyehyɛ mu nti no sɛ woyɛ a sɛ dua koraa si hɔ a asase no baabi yɛtumi didi kɔdi ɛno no yɛ abɛmmɛ nta na bi akɔ akɔto aboɔ no ne adeade nti wei no deɛ ne nhwɛ da nto aboɔ ɛmu no mu kyerɛ sɛ ɔmo a ɔmo nim mu a ɔmo taa hwehwɛ bi no ɔmo ɛkɔto wɔ mu kakra nkyerɛ sɛ ahyehyɛ asase no mu nti na akɔyɛ mpɛpɛ hɔ nti wohwɛ nnipa bɛyɛ bi ma a ne ɔmo nyinaa wura ɛfam a ɔmo yɛ saa no a yɛyɛ nim mu sɛ defitie ne ade no nti no ɛkyerɛ ɔmo sɛ hɔ no ayɛ mmerɛ na nansa nsuso no atɔ ato ase bɛɛ mmienu asɛ mmiɛnsa wɔ hɔ nom yɛbarika bi nyinaa ka sɛ ma obiara nyɛ dɛn ɛnhyia bi na ɛsɛ mbɔ din sɛ ɛyɛ kokɔ ase ɛsɛ obi kokoo baabi kakraa bi na ɛne sɛ ɔmo nim sɛdeɛ agudie no sisi no ɔmo akɔhu sɛ kakra wɔ hɔ a ɔmo tu amena no kakraa bi kɔ bɛɛ sɛ mene mmie no tenten anaa bɛyɛ anamo bɛɛ ɛsɛ sɛ ɔmo yi adeɛ no firi mu saa nsɛre no nsuo no ɛtɔ pii na asase no kɔyɛ mmerɛ no akɔfa saa ɔhaw no yɛ no nyinaa aba
anyway na menua sɛ ɛdeɛ na wo ka biribi akyerɛ mabu because say no sɛ mo hɔ no after incident si a nine months asɛm si na ɛdwen sɛ nkapabu no koraa bɛtɔ mboa so wɔ saa deɛ hɔ ɔma nsua hwee
ne deɛ mene bɛyɛ adwene ne aka no sɛ ɔnsɛ deɛ na sɛ bi na sɛ ɛba ɔmda hɔ koraa na ɔhwɛ sɛ sɛdeɛ ansɛ na mɛtene mapɔmpo akɔhɔ na ne ndi pɛ bere 700 ɛsɛ ɛkɔbi wɔ no nim sɛ polisi baa na de ba wɔ mu ba no ne deɛ sɛ pɛ ne wɔtu kwase bɔ kakra ne ani biri na na abere ne bi atwa ne ayɛ afi hɔ nti nkyɛkyɛ no kɔto ɛno bi no asɔre bi ɛho yi asɛ sɛbi kama ne nama na adompe ne nda ɔbɛyɛ na agye sɛ ɔdema ne mɔkɔ akɔto anaasɛ bibi saa deɛ kɔdua no wie a ne ne ɔho ho ɛmmoa no nti sɛ dadada koraa kɔkɔɔ no nsa apagya ne mu a ɛsisi bi saa woma mna no saa adwuma no sɛ ne nsia no yɛkɔ ɛkɔ na ebi yɛ mu sɛ nti ɛyɛ na akɔ akɔtɔ amena bi sɛ mu bia na yɛ de tete na yɛ dada no na mma sɛ yɛ mu mfiti bi a ndi a na sɛ ɔmo bɛ sɛ pɛpɛ nti sɛ bi wɔ a awɔsoro nti yɛ ki yɛ mu sɛ mu nkɔ no wo ada no na kɔ bi nti yɛ ade a nso na efi bɛɛ ne nsia afɔ sɛ bɛɛ no nan yɛ efiada no ɛyɛ bɛ tie ne mu da no mu nti no pɛsɛ ntadeɛ sɛ no mu mu yɛsɛ ho no akɔkɔ bɛ bi ɛsɛ ha mo na na wo nso agyina wo mu sɛ obiara ma me sɛ sɛ mo yɛ gudie tie abra nsa na fan so a nti bi de tuma kan sɛ ho kakra no deɛ ɛka galamsɛ ankasa deɛ a ɛde ne ne mpɛnfo nso didi nkɔmmɔ no bi sɛ ɔmo sɛ yɛsɛ ntumi yɛ community mining ɛne ntumi yɛ responsible mining ɛdi koko wɔ hɔ na ɛde mmuwa akɔ hɔ na fam yɛ ti nti nti na anka yɛ na asɔre ka ho na nti akɔfa mmerante ayi mmerante a ɔmo di mu na nipa mako mako ɛne deɛ mmuwa nkasa ekɔ mɔnko hɔ na mɔkyere ho ɛde ana ɛka no ɔmo sɛ mako mako du nti ne ma ɛda hɔ ɛde mu yɛ ɛbi ayɛ ho nti asɔre ne deɛ wɔ hɔ ɛmfa wo ne deɛ fa yɛ ma wo
na before I go on munya any report from addition ni bi go ha ne nua crowd so call on my on ka omo yi omo na omo hwere omo nkwa ja hwere no Unya
Yeah, what that's now come on. We say for the past and we say we got to know if we are if we are now we say what government if you I have to have a you know the dog you be a person for mama general officers and we really we are the if you are the union for the idea so that's all I really and I really and I free them and maybe I will I mean anything for the problem the person will be even the corner the new clear with the I could find the clinic program as a
okay. And I was and I do was my now if any about why. So for I know yeah I have and your call until we national coordinator for NADU and you know Edding command nano pen you na yɛde asedane bi ɛde ama Marfo Dr. Time that's what we do fi yɛde asedane bi ama no yɛdara se in fact ogusu a ɔhwɛ manfo a ɔmo ananka ɔmo ni da so sɛ ɔmo yɛ baabi a ɔmo akyina akɔnante akɔdi kayadeɛ no koraa bɛtumi akɔ dei ɔmo nyɛ da so binom deɛ ɔmo risi di adanseɛ timpakyɛ wotie me na no pɛ a stroke, diabetes, hypertension, low high blood pressure, Obama, no trying to pay. Troy. Yeah. Time that's not infinite. A boy can go there by sounds so and I who know 0244 774 28 0244 774 282. I know yeah, Tiano na area so signal cable no and I say one for a or more wires and a few nice one. I don't know more because I just say for the cables are like a crab in a ija. So say no, signal cable, the nation's cable no. I know you African Diamond Cable Company Limited, signal cable no this time we no meet international standard. Now, we are still man said, yeah, what are the studies? Yes, we are born and cables and wires and the amount for said the code on. But only I know maybe I would not mean this is all the project ever contractors will soon die. So we'll see factory in Mawa. A DBA we have morning call, recommend the signal cable because maybe I call all the Obenya, a Jumano and Uka the inferior materials are dealing with body. Away with the bomber, Ned, Samaba. What the other we fire service. I break it down. Yeah, for how way but you have a cable, Papa. Signal cable, and I'm recommending the amount. But also recommend the oil with you. Signal cable also. Now, Ghana Standard Authority, we are a member of Association of Ghana Industry Contractors. Number friend number 0543 93 4550 0543 934550 0265 456055 0265 456055. Draw up a number no from a thousand of Fakua Ventures with one. Number is 0244 728433 0244 728433. I know your signal cable at the end. William and Sinkum. I say no.
Yes, I know.
Did you have a code here? Well,
But some people, mean, as you are Ghana, they say, but you can't say safe for other places.
Yeah.
Well, say, yeah,
But they come to my
yeah,
chief for say, Uber, sometime,
US,
US. Yes.
I mean, Papa, no, sorry. Okay, let me admit. So no,
Things are not good.
no. Who said the last time I give a officially and shutting it down. But as at any we are not 2 oil ships. I mean, it's
By Iran.
but okay, so it is not official. It's but those ships or vessels were caught in the crossfire. But I could try to his or his destination. So that is how at the end it's a barrel of oil. So $100.
Across it,
$100.
meaning that
As
the
at
cost of-
anywhere area, now I'm up 91, 1800. Yes, which means that it will not go by the level. Yeah, you are going to see a search in fuel prices. 45%. You say, Ghana fuel, yeah, refined fuel, yes, China, Nigeria gas. And for China, also 45% of only refined fuel. If you Gulf, it's in fact almost straight of Marfo. So and now it has been blocked because of the war. Partially. Officially, Iran and Qatar, but partially it has been blocked because of the war. It was 20% of refined fuel supplied to various parts of the world.
But 20%.
20%. Yes, that is
Annual. So it is
every day 17 million barrels of fuel. But Sir John, for Iran, you say Iran, those days, Persia. You talk on it down. So I you understand it better. Now, maybe now we have established Iran, any Israel issues that in recent America, Israel, almost 30 years. Now, already know there are certain terrorist groups. Almost America, Israel for Iran for in Tuko Yemen. In fact, Iran America was the good for
yes, I
rest
yeah.
So in that will impact a lot, but negatively, not Ghana. Because every American vessel, forget America, imagine say American vessel be, and as a vessel go high, a Ghana day, vessel go high, Nigeria, American flag, and the vessel be Kenya, Liberian flag. So, if the moment they will attack that, it's a whole, cancer, not a whole cancer, or American. And also, so yeah, they are food trade. Now, look at Yemen a Houthi, look at Palestine a Hamas, look at Lebanon a Hezbollah. as at Enra, na Hezbollah strike Israel. And of and Many say Israel attacking the capital of Lebanon.
It does.
It's a proxy war, no, and a proxy, no. I shall say already Kuwait, Jordan, Oman, Bahrain, Dubai, Saudi Arabia.
You know, maybe I'd be more
Iraq.
right to have.
Yes,
That's
also any almost share of the strike. But the good thing is that
no.
all these countries, almost I imagine so much in France, strike Iran. Despite strikes, in fact,
They are even closer.
yes, other strikes have been almost strike almost retaliating. But consistently, they have pursued warnings that if they are pushed to the war, almost best at retaliation. No, so John, yes,
Which step this is the original estimation. It is impacting the part areas that Philippines.
yes,
Now, we share maybe a Qatar, UAE, Bahrain, Kuwait, Jordan. What the countries? Now, this is where they are flying. Oh, arrows, maybe arrows in the X.
yes,
The Iran fly, Israel.
yes.
Now, what is happening now is that Iran for also targeting America. America director.
Yes.
Countries that bear America military base.
But the bad thing is that maybe to say Bahrain, and Qatar, they've gone beyond America. He said,
Yes.
Because almost say now for the America.
Good.
And it's America for me. You wasn't come catch America.
And they also feel that this out there, Kuwait and the rest try to block Omume's house.
Yes.
And in this case, we will go beyond American military base.
Yes.
You see, as all share.
Yes.
The shocking.
Yes.
This is the link.
Yes.
Saudi Arabia, our deposits.
Our deposits.
That's why I told you that. The quantity was as in the capacity of water.
Yeah.
Now it's supposed to pass through that link.
Yes, straight up almost
to any other area. I was say echo. And you see, I can say echo crana. No,
echo. You don't even call because no vessel will risk it. No vessel will risk.
Good.
Using that street, no vessel will risk it.
Enti, see, I can say any pay. A horse are home. You need some.
As that another pay. Yes, as that another pay. We call Irana, we Kameni, I mean in general, Senene, the family now, or my free, what the civilians or my free will come one, or come free. Yes, or Iran. We call USA officially, the past 3 soldiers, 3 and a free officially, and a 9 a prepra. We call Israel as at another pay. Now a nipa close to 50 and now almost every. We call Bahrain a nipa 1 and now more officially or market was free. Dubai be free me here, but nipa you break free. Bahrain, yeah. Qatar will be free here, but nipa free. But I don't. Say here we cannot be free and for no so China. When we say Ghana for no China, no, most of them fight Dubai, Emirates. So most of them, meaning Angamenia, about 80 to 85% of them. Say we call Dubai and we call China last week. That's what Maya. In 2 days. I that's what we can buy. say, oh, that's what China. And that's what counts as well. See, say to the Omoban obeying, but see, maybe not being indication, be say, Omoma buy no nana or share. Say, who Dubai? That's a possible. It be an hour which in the Kasa. Say, possible. I'm from Dubai and Oman. No more fly from Oman to Ghana or to any other safer country and then connect to Ghana. Now that is only currently, according to your information from the field, a yes safe country and a alternative. It's in the pan of Dubai. That's what means now. Amount now because as we speak now, I'm going to make a video now, a Dubai video no before the strike. Now there's continued to be missiles flying. Yes, way before the first strike. Okay, that passing for a while will go through immigration processing to board and as after we buy it. So this is the Dubai airport, and now part of the airport has been hit. So it is a Wunipebi or honest with me. But it's on car and I'll meet me organize it. On free Dubai and Oman, which is not far from Dubai. Now I'm moving from Oman to maybe whatever plane where I've been able meeting highway. No meeting crossing. My space needed at them. I just had a continuous stay in Dubai is likely to prolong their stay in the Gulf. Because now, even if we are ending the conflict today, what is the guarantee that flights it is saying that
now can
Yes.
you see Israel and Hezbollah, you see as we speak,
yes.
so more exchange fire.
Who's the Chinese people
About 50 villages in Lebanon.
Yes.
I just say,
And as I say, for the first time, hour or 2 hours cram by, Iran have fired first ballistic, intercontinental ballistic missile. Fire first ballistic missile. Israel and fire ballistic missile. US and fire ballistic missile. Don't forget, the other countries in the Gulf, they all have ballistic missiles. They haven't fired. And don't forget, Iran will not be the only person in this fight. They may not be only other Arabians or countries within the Middle East or the Arabian Maghreb. Because of being allied to America. They also have friends.
Definitely.
China.
Definitely.
Russia.
Definitely.
So, it's empire na say escalate to a certain level. Because look, if the American allied within the Gulf, what people do need that they start retaliating in the name of defending themselves. Are you sure? Russia and China, Iran, Iran fight at the way. And now they have advanced negotiations. Seriously, there might be more America for what's the Iranian foreign minister at a point in time? No matter as you say, so most okay, uranium yes, stop with the perception service nuclear. So but then America for the demands extra go beyond uranium. Other it's a sovereign country. If the people of Iran pay leadership on that, you don't fall
America for
I said no, consistently. Agenda be no the contact. Similar in the course of Iran, But you see, Iran is not Iraq
Yeah.
for years. And now for centuries, Iran has always been a stronger force against any opponent. So, almost strong. But, I am tempted to believe that last year June, Tokwane course, so 12 billion Tokwane course, almost they targeted some of their installations, military installations. If you imagine here, we say America going to be for is a daddy, we kill up. But Uncle for no because currently they are fighting about 10 countries. This is the 4th day of the fight.
Yeah.
Nothing has happened.
And I'll pay now, me share UK Prime Minister.
Yes.
Stammer. I'll say United States are requesting permission to use some places for specific and limited defensive purpose.
Which it happens, and you can also become a target.
And as we speak, I'll say the United States has requested permission to use British bases for that specific and limited defensive purpose. We have taken the decision to accept this request to prevent Iran firing missiles across the region.
No, they will accept.
See, they said, I used to UK and they are getting close.
So the reality is that the only a year Iran who you Iran as a country, any more military capacity. Medical catch last year June, 12-day fight. Okay, they will not have enough artillery in their stock to fight all nations. But there's a possibility of getting support from China and Russia and the bomb. But so we'll share US ally with any Israel ally within the Gulf. Only say we no can say Iran US Israel for but Afghanistan and Pakistan was starting. And don't forget, Taliban, you can't trust Taliban no more. You can't trust your more because it does appear they tell to US because of the position in US for US will tie Afghanistan, they might more weapons. And that is why they will sustain their war or their conflict with Pakistan for days, for weapons will be weapons America for the Mao. So there's a possibility of getting their support. Of course, for Iraq, you also get their support. Syria, they also get their support. So we are in for the long haul because Iran here, say pressure.
No, there's no way to allow you.
No. As that, Reuters report is a market in US, Trump in Akoma, Trump, like I said, the new leadership. Once after coming, must have continued. The ceremony, but an official this morning, an official from the Iranian army said there will be no talks. They are not ready for the talk.
So they are also that way.
Yes. I will share Israel. Yes, Akoma condition with now I think to kind special and that is what yes, absolutely. Yes.
I update Donald Trump the NRA. Which I have shared that I have just been informed. The official I've just been informed that they destroyed and sank 9 Iranian naval ships. Some of them are relatively large and important. They are going after the rest. They will soon be floating at the bottom of the sea. Also, in a different attack, we largely destroyed their naval headquarters Other than that, their navy is doing very well. This is Donald Trump.
No, it's a joke.
It's a-
Iran,
Yeah, no,
Iran is strong.
yes, and America.
But I don't trust him.
Mhm.
I'm attacking.
Yeah.
No, they wouldn't be. I'm telling you, the Iranian president, you're soft. Because Ahmadinejad time, there were several attempts, but because Ahmadinejad was not educated to say Putin. Say North Korea president. I can tell you the so he would not hesitate to prep CCC. But see, but Ghana did.
Saying,
Yeah.
The better question is that America as we are not saying the oil. I'm just watching, man.
Yeah.
We are not saying the oil. On the control.
Yes,
And no controls. Is it as a result of America, Israel, and Tokwa, our side the major global effect,
oil.
Now, 20% of
World,
world, if far.
That's
What will happen is that they say, no, you should say the life of Saudi Arabia,
blocked.
Other, you think Japan will be affected.
Yeah, because Asian countries
yes,
will be
affected. See, America war options. The another if Venezuela for now you are in control.
Oh no,
It is either they say Venezuela. Venezuela also stockpile.
or stock, yes.
Impact.
But no air control. Be here no more.
And also be here.
87.9.
And no, dear. Because look, if yes, always like deals. Because look, if Korea even China will be one of the worst hit because China there 45% of refined any crude that Gulf state now pass it through the Strait of Hormuz. So you can even use Venezuela to bait China. China will not go and support America, but the any seven for home regime. The American not here. For Russia, they have it. But don't forget that Russia is not or so free Venezuela the back.
Yeah.
It will bet me soon Russia strike a deal. Men for home regime.
I'll give you this.
Me the way be mouth.
Because Venezuela hono time we call no target here.
Yes.
Russia.
Yes. And omenya omo.
And
It's men for home nyim mema oil. Because now America is controlling the Venezuelan oil. When you say but for Iran at the end, now omoye Cuba so pressing to take over Cuba.
America.
Yes.
A agenda, a Donald Trump agenda. Oba no say obeso o make America great again. Inti being great like it used to be, no. I want to feel say ahode America wanna confirm no. Sa na mani nyina aka ho bi.
Yes.
Inti opese onya total control e zone ho.
The zone ho nyina.
That control.
That is that's the southern hemisphere.
Opese onya sa control ni nyina.
Say ultimate control that hemisphere no. There will be no threat. And exactly what Russia is doing. It almost I'll say Russia also want to control on also hemisphere.
And then the Ukraine
because they say Russia to honor. Then what damn fine.
Because
the only country Russia and NATO aligned Belarus. Okay. Hungary call. Hungary echo.
Ukraine echo
Georgia,
within this year.
The government omunyanji omuntu. No.
Okay.
No. Hungary echo. Czech echo. Georgia echo. Them those countries, you know. So countries are being Russia, no. The only country, and any we see, Belarus, and now on Ukraine to share border. It is a Omakwama Netu, which is also backed by America. It may take you over Ukraine, Russia, Adam.
And it's not consistently. Why not just say
yes,
a hot day?
yes. It will say America for more protected Momo hemisphere. Not in Russia, the only person Russia be protecting the hemisphere. So it may not honestly, I've always said, say it will be very difficult for the Russians to stop the Ukraine onslaught because the idea of more, similar thing America also here.
And that is because it is almost foreign policy. One of the policies.
Yes,
I mean,
yes,
America
yes,
almost more policy na ibia etihani bia na. They have a foreign policy. They have a foreign policy. Say this is what we want to achieve. But my problem, America approach. Simply because I'm gonna say getting those people with them or not. Like we're saying, say they want to control that Omo area. No? Getting Omo on the table will be difficult. To always they go through the violence.
No, but the Iranian look, you see, not that CBR, can be. We are just being very objective. May very objective. Before the attack, no, now you say Iran, any America, war Qatar, omoka omwasem. Okay. Share clearly. Israel for the can strike here, meboa.
Yes.
And Israel also strike here. Certainly America. It is a Israel for Ukraine strike here. America money Iran ekasa in sea. Time almost strike here, now they were still negotiating almost 80 in common. It's a dainty and your mama mo negotiation no NC before you take it. And I say because they've also not come out with their reasons. And I say almost suspected say Iran for no so all negotiation table almost so they buy time and to stockpile. Because the June hit now and June to course so between Israel and Iran at the point in time. America for a small almost still bombardment. Called Bombay, almost one of their military installations. Almost suspected say almost they'll build a nuclear. No? The suspicion is that they have moved from one base to a different base. Very, very fortified, deep down earth. Missile being in Ruho. That was the American perception, and for that matter, they were still building up.
Okay.
Say almost build it up. Almost say Yakuku puni near Beswa. And you bet me a missile from Iran straight to New York or straight to Washington.
I was for the TN say any Montocano Nyadi say Ebe Jazzy.
Oma 5 weeks.
But I feel now I've seen Iran for no bufuna sorry.
And you see one thing about Americans and say after they also think America and Iran think alike, and Israel they think alike. They don't forgive. Into Iran, what can the supreme leader?
Yeah.
The other generals. He won't forgive. Iran won't forgive.
No
Israel is also commander of the Air Marshal. So they say, or also Echo. And America for also 3 servicemen. Trump aka say 3 servicemen no meet Asoka. Say John, the days are not good.
Okay. Yeah, you say war reserve bia no biem. Because nyame adomo a enne na OPEC for no, is that yes, OPEC, right?
Yeah, OPEC, yeah.
And then I'm told saying number the entity weekend in ano. Yeah. Marfo monitor the world market price neka. But and then they will go for a meeting.
Yes.
After meeting no, and now officially no.
On be
announced. It is expected say about 11%.
Yes.
And ebeko as in
and easy cry.
Say price no be cost.
And we scan kwa fellow can.
The meme the ADM say almost failed. Nti bia wo de no so aka kra to be so. Just that you hear how your system this time will also, is it possible say ebia even though 11 but hano me
no yent me because well as we speak
but
now,
I'm just saying the next from the look of it the impact say a travel beyond 1st April. And that is another they're not making can say a travel beyond 1st April.
And you made when him say if China at the end new way basic economics say China enya oil free straight in him. Na say was say of falling on other possible areas. Obi e corporate. Say John. Say when fans the US and Venezuela crown oil. Say China 4 per oil every Venezuela, not Ghana 4 per oil every Venezuela. Venezuela for the Bema. No, it's a simple question. No. And I mean Venezuela for the Bema. What about China? So you also have to go and buy from China. The China for Kotono Teku. Ghana could tell free China why also better so amount. And that's the more reason why I said, John, Senka, if it had not been bad leadership over the years, your tema fine with all. So, why 80 people should brace themselves up and you may be possible.
Evans,
oil, petrol, if we know gas, bob, a year, near Bako, a Johnny bob, a year, near car. Your friends and we ever cost into ye say benya those in MB foreign friends Ukraine you say benya Iran US Russia Iran US
Iran
Israel US Iran war.
Let's see how this time,
but that is the reality.
Yes, let's see how things will be. My way be share America for more basis first one no believe fato so my na where America idea Africa the
yes
where Africa I'm doing this because it said the Iran for no say so mo ntimi mo ngura America wa America for mo basis
yes
bet my target
yeah.
They will go,
but the good thing is that currently Iran for ni missile betting travel from Iran to Africa.
Yes. So,
but not Korea for the mood.
And this is it.
Russia for China
baby a hoye blue no.
Yeah.
Eh baby a
omo basis
Ghana bi wa.
Mali so mo pamo Mali for no pamo omo.
But I'm told
okay, I see.
Any and I wish where Seychelles, Madagascar.
Yes, Mauritania.
Any other areas here. The can baby any and I'll show you. Now young share Beluchi around Iran. Almost base is not around Iran. This is it.
And then already Iran fashion Charlie.
This is it. Taking the water.
Take you home.
Syria. No, Syria.
No, they have a base.
Yes.
Syria. Okay, they don't think that they are America for until recently. Movie says so maybe
good.
Who says Syrian new leader no echo Washington.
Yeah.
Hanti okoba no. And they say a movie
and Iraq is
yes.
Syria no more where Iraq is
yes.
Iraq more 1-2.
Yes.
Na Iraq Kuwait.
Yes.
Bahrain and a
yes.
Qatar or
yes.
And Qatar so no some are for Iran for
Abombe yeah.
Okay. UAE is
Omabo
okay. Now
Afghanistan,
yes.
Pakistan, but for I honor the Omwa group for moving a target here. And tech minister omuni base yo.
Yeah.
But Kazakhstan, Kazakhstan, we see
Kazakhstan.
It's really Uzbekistan. And Turkmenistan. Yeah.
Afghanistan.
Yes.
Pakistan. Pakistan
around
them. Yes, Omobi. Saudi Arabia Mobi.
Yeah.
Omobi Oman.
Yeah.
And not just say from that sea, no.
Yeah.
Now we remove Africa.
Yeah. You see,
you get that thing?
Yes, the only thing
this is baby.
It is not good.
America for no, Iran for no, who say when they're able to deal with them, almost so pay back.
Yeah, but you see, the thing is that, and America say, minim Iran for strong, even though we know say they are very strong, but minim the amount of missile, the quantity of missiles are almost a stockpile. Say if all these bases, okay, aside the bases, no, the bases no air responded. That's a country no so military air responded to Iran because of say Omar attack Omar. I don't know whether Iran will survive.
Emra, Panibia, meaning Caucasians say on. So Donald Trump push no air. I'm here nuclear betting my fly.
No, nuclear can fly because you see that's the only thing Iran bet me there. No, you see for Iran, I am not expecting America to fly a nuclear to Iran because already there are people within Iran, okay, who support the America for a Would you want to go and kill all of them? Is that the Hiroshima? No, you won't want to. You don't. You and I won't say. Marfo Busa say, are they going to? There is it going to be? Is there a possibility of boots being on the ground? Say it be America for the basic form. Now, mungamu. From now, it has been ruled out. So American military form. Throw Jumana. Kusi say bako be yemre. Say sa no me no. Say omoto to so no na afi bia yemre. Afi untimi and see like untimi and full through you. No so si form. Na emugamu.
Okay.
So hon.
Area no more America ya mo my update.
For flying off or for firing off nuclear to Iran from America. America, they would want to think, but rather no, maybe Iran, when it gets to that level, maybe maybe they would want to do that too.
And
but it's fly
United Nations, as we speak, not to the because of America. It's your mayor, so more material. My
but means you share is it Switzerland or one of the Scandinavian countries? UN.
Okay.
In many Security Council Nisha. Already can share back. But it's almost like almost try to open another dialogue or negotiation. But over here the position of the new regime now in Iran, I don't know whether this time they will be eager. Because already one of the officials, like I said, they are not ready for any negotiation. So whether it be in the course of time, Makuma be timi adwo kakra na omo asako back to the negotiation table.
Okay. Let's see how it goes. Maxwell Kwesi say, Sir John, Mobo Ejuma, all the way from Aflao, Yeshemo pa, and George Owusu-Apia. George, good morning. Yeah, the team will work on that one, and I feel so. We Golden Boy announced also share live. Okay, more to my share. Yeah, I'm share. Why now for free? Na Grandpa, yeah. Grandpa say, Sir John, so superpower countries. See, one day I'm talking there. Pomutrimu na, you know, a boy idea. Okay. France, why I should
be a movie on a ship. A warship to the Mediterranean.
And Tokande, the iron there. Bufuaba, is a Bufuaba this week, before we bring a month for better to be a good man. Na Ghana man. Okay. Evans Kwache, good morning. Masaud, good morning. And Ken Opukuso sharing. Atobraja says, John, a brasso say, illegal mining, Mabuno, or say Pequam be a befasona. Yane wo ashe na omaye legal mining because omunyo maji so be jai.
87.9
And
Kumasi.
Maxwell, I've read your message. Mami share yeah, Lincoln, I've read your message. Okay. I was here what taxi driver. Okay, also UTA live from Abreport Junction. And up there's a driver no car number AS 491817. And up there will be mupa UTA Akoma 87.9 FM. Inti. But for the bet me the back a crowd from Iran and America, Israel, and they say flighter enra itu a free kata ebinum entimi enko. And let me share video be how within that space be 2 hours.
Yeah.
To kwana say na share flight and ewo wiemu na nyina no asate say omu nyina no go away from South
I said,
Zone.
so say missiles not take you over. It is you'll be hit. Yes, you'll be hit. A missiles and a fly because and Tokwano Iran for the Iran and no more missiles now and them you so US foreign bases no any the sipo no so no omoto missiles na nem yum na eko enti plane no okọ ye den simplicity okọ akoye den o fa ho akoye den ships mienu ya versus mienu ya minim people say akwa no hia no obo count chale yen try ne yen twam ntem na sana ya cruise ene se pan omo so omo ahiti omo.
Let's see how
it goes.
We will manage things this time. And yes, I mean, Evan Solano, Mr. Minka, that has also you can't have a system. Was it Sir John? The United Nations is now, according to him, irrelevant.
Oh yes.
You can't have a system whereby the United States can go to Venezuela and remove Maduro, then follow up with invading Iraq and kill its supreme leader with impunity. Ayatollah is no more. Right. Evans, Yemra for mine now.
Yemra for me. Debia no the update beba.
Oh yeah.
Tinyame ya do my chance so the update beba.
Yeah, update.
Sir John,
me at the Abba. Anopebiano.
yes,
we'll do that. I'm saying, mini Abba, Kona, or you corner no so hard.
Yeah,
and no, I'm in any didn't come on. I'm going to Charlie, the idea here, I'll be reporting mine from that end. Countries near around now, or more about
especially Dubai, Hono, and go for me, Makoka Hono.
Yes.
Sir John Sekabe, yes, be any bedroom, but it me cancel be my buying for. Yedi atete ebi kura na ban ya aware dada se ebetimi aboa na se oman route ho no beboa yen kwatwe omu nyina form mra so yen ko Ghana for de ebi wo Dubai pa no ye baako e na omu soso a omu free China eba America so omu ye transit so ho eden ebi so abeka ho ti yen pe route bi ne kakra kra yen twe omu nyina free on form mra.
Well, my who said and Kenya no anka be boamu NPF was omo 5 to 6 weeks stock
What? And yet
5 to 6 weeks stock
and yet
almost 5 weeks of diesel stock and now 6 weeks of petrol
and extra
is here the 6 weeks here 1 month
6 weeks here 1 month 2 weeks
2 weeks
and yes sir
within
hey Ghana the new said your hair ubi between about 3 years. I be or does change you one only state back on country ni nyinaa ɔha ne state baako bra nipa dɔɔso kyɛn o obetia ma 3 years yɛn deɛ o 6 weeks pɛntu ni bibi deɛ as empire yɛ bɔ ne sɛ so within these 3 weeks no ebedrum ebi na sɛ still no ne ma ebebu ne tɔtɔto obɛkɔ ebi asi fu wɔ ni hɔ ɛna the higher the demand the higher the price and also best started say yes low shortage scarcity a horse na dia asem ne beba no so a ho na dia asem ne beba no
right mama kopie baby mama echia one pay I say there is a man in a sea blue belter private car in front of GT Bank Ahonjo. But your papa who say yes on license as uti Akoma FM pa uti is here inti my child anti mama na ano pedi zenka kwana da
there be say leave
oza
I'm say leave
2 days
2 days leave
okay no mama na Monday na Monday come na say Thursday Friday
you bubu ne tot to their man
mama me chiao na me kazi asi today a Monday sorry Thursday Friday so but anyway ti mama information of their man no ayi for no your man chiamo Shell filling station
yes
I'm
a com yeah chiamo
and a total
as at an opena goil and a 10.46 na 95 no so nam 13
okay
minimum say Shell so na 95 no nam 13 point something and normal
11 point
you know
11 points
silver and yes 11 point something yeah
we'll continue to monitor as well
yes
na Mr. Pong
87.9
ewo Konfanochi Black Bank
the channel
Mr. Pong sending message I say I commend Evans for his well explained issues on the Israel US Iran war. Yes. Hano the TN say
yeah now
oh
na say you know say na me no money yan ehwe
za
no school no more masumunjo and I'm just I'm meant me an sorry because na me monitor we say no yes I saw man bring feedback say your kwaso dey jayo and no mo explanation but it's good say yeah man so yeah be mo hu sa na ma we ni yes
87.9
but I don't enye
wo ho ai Donald Trump won hwe yi na say they was here funny man won hwe yi na Ibrahim amai no ade na wo ye no on to no boase o
we say otuno you see
to no boase
me fear ni say o share the previous wars ne this fight na eya obi eya or ye measured say or better get the commander in chief eya almost say no ma but to the extent say Iran or commander in chief Ayatollah has been killed no? Me only say no leader is safe sir because you see anunso no target or target the commander in chief Entina Netanyahu, as we speak, will free Israel or Germany because Israel, they will definitely get him. And they see an obewo Germany na kopim say ye best of who be ansa no aba. Enti omo no say see ano for them to be able to equalize omo pain. It's either they get Trump and Netanyahu. Almost say you know crana still only say we lose because so bet me equalize na afed only say ma appease me sola it's either say or no ne target here Netanyahu and Trump they very difficult say o bet me ya no Netanyahu so the best thing say
basis now
we move akoshe German because okay Israel what they may definitely
oba ewiase mu nyina the best agency and security operative omo pick intelligence the friend Mossad
87.9
when you say Mossad for kun Khamenei inside Iran
and
they are there they are a danger chain FBI, danger chain CIA. No, the way operate no say John, through nothing. Say, one omo target wa Mossad for no more Israel no. So we say John omo target wa. So we nipa 10 krani be wu anu menyawa. And the moment I say Holocaust ne time no. 1940s Adolf Hitler Jew for na or exterminate you no. Ekoka nipa ba ko bi. Occupy one of the Eastern European countries. Yes. Either say West and East. One more etata no kochi akwa no. Chino. E dey need free a hoba Israel be kun. Almost so that's what they do. Omukum. Last year, one of the Iranian commanders
87.9 Kumasi.
One more dinechia kukun enema June in Tokwane Baye no. But I'm saying Mukradi about Kubi Dubai as a kata. And no mutite no akọ Bombay. So Sir John enye me betesa but you ask me send you can yami admire ade chi bia
bibia now o make you point bi so we are enko ye media na
and ye dey to say the Evan say kan e bon pa say etuo betwa ntem enye sa ye na ye chef form no ye ho be kire pa say you say na dey o say mitimi eko fili fuel no o fili o tank na kakra na because o fili kra na ntokwa no etu entwa e be sama wansan to but better.
Okay, right. Me that's it. Apart from Supreme Leader, no, more report to say the security advisor and so called Iran's Armed Forces Chief of Staff, Iran Defense Minister of Defense, IRGC, Commander in Chief, also these are people as we speak. More report to say
who's attack the time now
Donald Trump are reporting in 10
attack no coin na omo ye meeting it is how much after Fajr prayers into omo ina wo baby ba kwa omo ye meeting ti mesa no basa no na chese oh but you see minim the way our system it here and then my US e different kakra no e fa defense e ya e also more maybe underground e bi o baby a supreme leader no tino it should be difficult for say bump betimi about ti say White House easy say wo betimi ato bump na alcohol
okay
say your more defense mechanism your more obi a won dey but
golf na
idea no dey some dey no which of them na try say America recently operation bi and I want to make for the bankers in the
for the bankers in the omo but you say there obi to say Osama bin Laden look at yes take American san omonya no free banker ni man san omoko no
87.9 Kumasi
Libya president Gaddafi free banker ni mom kada mto ko chi ni wom so mo no mo use ono ane nkrofo na ne ko chi ni wom no de pie.
Okay.
Eti bank and ya no mu bi. But sometimes be a meeting of such nature and it was unexpected. And I make a Mossad for no asem no. They have been in Iran and they have been monitoring them. It pa they send a signal pa na omo aye we no.
Right. That's fine. You know, ma yen koye nim ewo ho na fe. I think say we've had enough of that. Now, I think say Ibrahim we are mebusa is a as one was a whole what is a former MC is with the police.
Yes, I lead you say do say
a story na you can't want you starting 17
yes I mete no enra china mete say So I did about say police station. Fans as in same me home. But we should name a lot of
and some knows as some Ibrahim
Ibrahim bit me
wait my boy to get that
because
Boban yes Boban ye di hu komo na no fear da no
okay
ye di hu komo
okay
and na me check say according to information I from no say the former MC has been behind the whole thing that is being alleged.
Former MC alleged.
Yes, being alleged. Say
waka former any
na eno ye issue but ye be if say ebra mamu na and then so there be abra mamu but ochina nyame adoma will follow up na ya share how enema esitie ewo ho. That's fine. Inti Evans.
Say no.
Say no dey we ana.
Well, say yeah, can was last week in me who ni say ade na kwa minimum dodo. Nipa no omoton chemicals no minimum dodo. Ewo baby also omoton no. Yes bia omuntimi nton kra. Enti ankebe ya KM any came for a yard drink say or may you or free baby any safe. But what is the alternative? Almost pay before the amount of one.
Yeah.
On the omon try no pay.
Oh yeah, and there is there. Yani Zubadi.
It is
all working around a year.
And the nurse and one.
Okay. Rahim. Yam fancy watching by this Waban issue. No, I don't know. So update to her. I say Alidu has been with the police on the. Receive you on that. Maybe you better follow up near how I know it's here. You better no yako. Kramana sem no. I say momsi research be about some munyari.
Sorry.
Research be about say munjai kramana.
Say you will be a beca. Omo be catch room. How they see me?
Who video now? Who ya nan krama idea? You know that video now.
What they say in krama now? Oh, you be a defa.
Na the oye
video ni anu fra. Catch up.
Dre krama na me.
Krama no.
That's right.
Then krama si odi ku omo.
Say.
They mo di kwa fu. Say bulldog dey. Quite full from the
and the Krama Namukuya.
Is it we one?
I will dear. I say we would be back on there. Say,
what do be quite and woken?
Dog meat. Dog meat is a dog meat one by some. As someone say, research be about say, I woman and television so. I hear from IC Institute of Community Sustainability. I say our health implications.
I'm the alternative about there.
Yeah. Sustainability as some more can there. And your moon health implications now bemuno. And never ask them for anyway. Ma Evans ma me no ase ho na me ofa mra na afi ye nto so ha na ye how things will go ewo ho nti observe ye beto aso but modern say Mid City Dental Clinic odo ani be kire ho na ahwe ose ho asem e dia mouse teeth whitening, cleaning, painless tooth extraction. You know, I Mid City be ho adwuma dia mawo but so to see special replace or sin you know obe hwe dia ma angloga VIP parcel office e dan mu a angloga junction ho na obe hu wonom e wo ho 054847 2434 054847 2434 Bacho tell na fe of about transina come on you know kakra bi on that na be a 5 minutes be in fact more my drink check can bacho ba chira wadwen then we move on na fe ya to aso e wo studio 0322498035 0243114497 Maxwell Obrimpon wo London or say Okay, precise submission. And Solomon Kwao so she free Israel. So good morning. Hello, good morning.
Good morning, Sir John.
Yes, sir.
I'm about to want to say.
Yami Adam, Mbacho, okay, say free.
Mbacho, free. Marco, magazine Marco. Watching. I'm watching.
Senior.
Mbacho, now you see me here on number.
Me ma number be free.
Don't say, obey, ready to me now. Maybe you know about number nature.
Okay, and then me sorry,
I'm go and come on.
Jinaso na production on kasa. Jinaso I na production ni ending komo. Good. Inti, but you bet me ba na ending komo 0322498035 0243114497. Good morning.
Good morning, brother.
Yes, sir.
I'm Pastor Jamal.
Yes, enko ya ni minia. So here.
Oh, me hoye na oche.
Yami Adam, enko ya ni.
The same mention and equity, the regular chairman. The mention incoming organizer of property from the race as a payment manager. So, I say no. Now, I said, they are trying to remember about here, and you have to be clear.
Aye.
And you tell me, but I put out the thing in my camera. Just don't be on the guy. I think I basically remember to say from. This is the nation address where the team Myanmar via Akoma and then about it.
Okay, me that say. Obey to 03224 98035 0243 114497. Obey to me about needing come. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
But you wouldn't baby I can say free.
Of any, take it chance and
hey, of any.
John.
Mama mintiwe.
Pogo can enjoy you.
Akoma FM 87.
Try
Pogo can enjoy you.
Okay, and try. Some good actually.
Yes.
Moji musika.
Yeah, you just canona, yeah, dear. In China.
Okay.
I don't American say, yes, and you may also, you are saying, maybe it's in Patamoa. A tray and baby, we are saying, a drew. A Sumahodo, Christianity, and a Sumahodo, Kenyan. Daniel can say, we make what the bomb would do for Daniel can say, could be a what the walking car man and Tiasi. Into a year, I can take one every year, a Christopher. I see assuming I may any small doing you might be number of fair and check. A cool has a third red war.
Yes, me that's. Hello, good morning.
Oh, the great fantastic set of Papa
Benji, no.
Yeah. My body, my cooler can be more. We face Syria. Madama, let me see you come from. When I bring them was Ebuama, MC, actually, the biggest out, or Bodmo of Passajon, and Mampany, the Passa, actually Ghana for. And the Islamic country, Mampany, then the Yajin will say, and you might be government in the band, who can be a bad ones in the Kwan, and say, Kukushi, Kwan, I bear.
Okay, me that's. Good morning.
Good morning, John.
Yes, sir.
I'm not called there.
Yami Adam, but you
a different ventures, Brooklyn, Mexico.
Hey, ba.
That's all the matter. That's the Ghana card, or Korea to Ghana.
And she said, oh,
but after being free, you should just then shut down.
Okay, we find out for becoming himself and saying, or more at the shadow be by. And he me na ma update you. Why?
Okay.
Me that's it. My main last caller. Good morning.
Hello, good morning.
But you didn't baby I can say free.
The friend of Lucas man so the Akombani in our headquarters.
So for young queen.
Metia, the friend, Honorable Marfo, Amase South DC. We are friends, Manson and one who knew a yacht. Asemo, you said you have to do that. Yes, sir, I'm making for the Omo, Emma, and Emma for Kaklamay.
Okay.
Yes, sir,
but that's it. Thank you very much. Over. Now, Bibi Aboko, dear. Yamiase pa, Yamiase. then yame ase ɛha nso bɔkɔɔ ɛgya ayi ntɔkwa yi na anɔpɛ ya bɛyɛ issue kakra ma yɛn a yɛhwɛ how a yɛhwɛ how a nso bɛnya effect ɛwɔ yɛn so no na menim yɛmfa mfiri ɔno yɛmmra state of the nation no so na
whether say benya effect na any effect here what can you now have
Akoma FM
yes will be anti in isolation
yeah
you know effect in the area you benya so you know say inim the eba ni inim time to betwa no you say issue boy who say in the worst case scenario there near be yeah you also need to find
I see but eba ya na the ekojina is the MPA so mo 5 to 6 weeks stock ahi the diesel 5 and petrol so yeah 6 weeks but we are not saying it's a shortage everybody just that neighbor na be ding definitely neighbor be ding
yes be a free balance o munya kwan na adwuma supply say battery o share ban dia automatically price no be cost kakra yeah
and sound come me kai say you depend o share aban by also your reforms be ewo value addition mampani call parliament na o kan ho asem na no so say it is a way aye be call as a man is it a boy to be able to speed up the process maybe a near ko wi ase no also speed up investment also ko be
yes so say I say bibia very difficult to predict say we know we argue na we know we person and you know the who is a bebo more self dependent biano no take a step no putting in acceleration so be ya ubetima ye do baby say when tima nya nwia bibi kwa bi sin no ye do baby a also how rank beba also no e be from anase ubetimi managing it very well. So now it is very clear say Santo Quanto
Akoma FM 87.9
any hokana ewo because one moment is an man na ban ubi any bago tete ho ubi ehwe ubi move oye na ache no ono so de wonye o my yen o man bi say Ghana yes you charge say yes she ye nyama yi na you answer ka say ebi wo 3 years ebi wo say yes 3 years for him. Ebi o mambo mo bra ko luni sika o mo ni sero mo si o mo hye no nso mo so le ya no munya 3 years it was a deliberate action say pe see nya we you see developed countries in them o matima ye nyina no enye ring and prayer
Akoma FM
it was a deliberate action say ye pe see kodu ha in this given period of time no maye ye pe see ye we no maye now ye di say the isi ni ya so eno ntem bia say ma gap wo ye ni wo mo ntem bebebe no wo mo de wo madwen be chom sa de be wo mo hia e wo so mo ye no they were portion time to it she who bibia within 3 years 4 years no maye entina as a time bia say BBC a as wo mo ye well prepared because near mo nim se betima ha wo mo nyina no wo mo sia no ho kwan ana wo mo ye ho hyehyɛ bia in all seriousness
Akoma FM
okay ye project because yes be 2 years ya nimra ye ho so no nya na mbe 12 years but em fo bia ho tomo de ndi o mo hyeda eye o madwene se ye be ni sei ampara so no maye ti de be unso tem ebri bi o mbenya bia no mo de ye hyehyɛ ko so mo kono mo bi no o mo adwene se bibia betimasi
ba yen so no yen hyehyɛ no nya
o de ye de ase bibia mfa ye ho
bibia mfa ye ho ye bibia se de ye pe
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi
ko so ye asema ya asem hia ko na ye didi agro
asema ya asem hia ko na didi agro de asema ya didi agro dog akwaba
yes na ho ye
bibia boko
oh yes
ashe man na see
say
Ghana man
to
yeah
so na just of my direction
be
So Ghana man today say omo na was nti omo no so my direction.
One man direction say Ghana man to you we.
Say o say Ghana man nti omo ban na was nti omo my direction ni so. Na ho asem na make no.
Ngoli tu safi.
Oh me ko di. Nti o de make
Dem
bia
say direction no dey ma we.
Nti be di
Numere o me nye no huma no.
Oh ni hu kura bi she free.
Direction now open.
So wonya da.
And that's all what I know for you. So what direction.
Oh that be say the okai the oba kan me will be a mini bia na makope bi.
Hey, doc no. Dr. Free.
Everybody who am about.
I mean
Me chai sham.
Sure so I just. And there's all man of maybe I had an affiliate.
So, Chadana Same kind what tea there.
Okay,
Yeah,
that's all the same be no by what count. I did not Anyway, that's fine. Doc,
yes.
Yeah, on my when I say we have a focus direction, be said this is what we want to do. As on mine, in fact, state of the nation here, Bemudie. But Osha Mampeni touched on and Yama be bria no person just say or mine I will say yeah they see and so say value addition and especially a rural Ghana man thing we you be kwa for cameras yeah they quite a factory beer ya abandon you ko share beer bibi and kabana ka Ghana it's my boy am yet me I share na progression and maybe I was thinking you yet me akwa yim kakra ba ni nyina no ya Janice me you take on that. How do we position ourselves as on my yentimi nka say ye nyina bibia ya nka say betimi aye me ho de but BBC a betimi shocks no ebe bad de but how e betimi a recover no ebe yentem so
Sir John mame that was na me that was for any Facebook na offer so me chiano na bibia o tie me Kumasi Technical University 27 to 28
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi
alumni homecoming.
Oh, okay.
Ko bia ko Kumasi Technical say K Poly whatever. Alumni no 27th and the vice president beba.
Oh, okay.
Vice president me utum for some uni want to know being an senior but the vice president had assured so beba. Who are could be your KKS, you are polyful, Mamukum be Sir John, a question was I on. Sometimes it's also sit back now. Oh, Jane Ghana, who are
Akoma FM
now to compare mining as a year miner, dear. Seriously, see any focus, so see any day you. Who's a president be a bar as a BBC in the so but Uchemwa your baba to us no also didn't dear ba. That is what I've seen. Into to me who say ye or maya ye free we call free swa now we have a to us now we kakra dia beka home even though the national plan or the national commission no NDPC no say education I mean nim how omatimi ade ato ho so abuche dey was America say ayekin the education is so obia president be a mama sesane sao into who say a high school we are say kakra bi no mbese semu but who say there's a structural change ke see bia aban bia na say bush ba ya obese no we buy obese no so yeah, as a leader be obebia no all sectors of the economy no or sesaning na no the need aba enti as a president mahama ye ne de
Akoma FM
free so a job beba no so on a different perspective enti ye nya consistency in our development I'm classify and say yeah development na kangaroo development because it's about hopping, picking the one that is convenient for us. No, the minor President Mahama say a value for money, a value for one additions. Yeah, by 2032, we don't want to come on. But when new government that comes into the future, will go into that kind of agenda. Meaning the National Commission is a plan, is a one home year. Yes. Oh, when I'm baby as a call anymore, bedroom baby no near Sabayachi. That's what I've seen. President Rollins by obey any dear. President Mills so by obey for Ubia until say, Ama I don't know who any sui. And that is what what's the data? Yeah, come you say I say inflation about for one. Udema buying this something. You will see a different dimension that will come in. So obisu be focus on baby, no be able focus on it. And my development you so the government of the day. And I'm assuming him say be a year so or matimum for no yenya or train home and share the long-term impact of policies into a more so bad no matter year the satisfy the needs of the expectations of Ghanaians. No, I know how. So because I did can we implement it? I may take years, and suddenly be the result will come. But no, because I buy no anyadi one you say ubia ba opentina and this if I use strategy. Be investing what it win so na ubia who said they are doing something, but in the long term, no, ebe boy betimi a sustain and as intimate sustain. Into years to team so say John, yes, you can't be. Yes, how we place more expectations on them.
And that's what man at the brain.
Oh, man at the brain, so I said, oh, shame would they also open also the brow.
Oh, a campaign now, can't do okay.
Yes, and the campaign is based on research. Say no more person, no more penagas or Munchaya, because then I bind is a bit of a to mount. Now they also wouldn't compete, no, so can't idea. She said, 1 week, 24 hours ago, my name habit media amount. So I find it also to quiet. You don't see a lot of structural changes in various, even though be one developing a Ukraine. Who said, can media music can be a ban and can be a sector be or what? A whole year, and Uncle focus on be about 5 sectors be maybe a wire and one or focus or maybe a ubisuba, no, so because Sir John, I see a the ensaku can you maybe into at the end of the day, near I confused about what direction I the country neko. If now you ubusa or my beer and as ubusa a Ghana maybe I say the next 5 years, 20 years in Prawuni maybe a Ghana bit. Don't know.
So unim. Na say yebusa or more crown mo steer their face no crown.
Unim.
Do say na a bit my catch say the next 5 years. Or can be or can say on paper, but policy na dey bedru no.
Baby. What I learned from the Chinese is that policies be over even in Krana or Mabesku Krano, they put them into their mindset. No more Western belt.
That's orientation.
Yes.
Yes. Orienting again.
Yeah, a Western one, almost more Western belt, more tight to be on the mind. They were linking Africa, South America with roads, bridges. More connected China to those countries in India. And we have so countries in India, so more resources are into Ukromoa, no other bridge. And about family is in now, or Fahodikuna. And Yana Yako as foreigners, we a big conference to educate us the benefit. Yes, and I know more Chinese for no at every level. They were telling them about that project. Sebeboa o mine ebeyesi ebema employment in this China krana ubetimi akọ ebi Africa country bi na bia company bi ebefa adwuma no mba befaw enti eno kra no what are the benefits no mo cheche wo mo enti wo mo ankasa no mo tim mo kra no they know the direction of the country ye de yenim sona is a ritual ni abeya ni president a political platform no mabe can be yes no abe can be no ko na we so abe can be no ko enti ya na sejo ya na ha adwen mom we don't have care at least ya nya crowd and health education roads ne be about 5 sectors of the economy no yewo a certain key point be president be bia no be pekwa obefa so betimi as of yes. But even though the national commission so one no omusi obi ho but obi aba on fanya education we ba no abete so 3 years we ba no de bia beka ho we ba system we ba robot we ba we sa na de nem ni say yeah teacher license na we nam ha we ni nam ha yeah we don't have a bearing
any direction me that say Dr. Samuel Free about is you so adoptive pay my brain be on a manager or a job rural bank or sipe or say adopting or say tell of Jantua I want to take him as a father and uncle. I love his submission. Very brilliant. Okay.
No for who bet me in ba
oh, there be. That's all for my brain on route of and tuning with your fact. And you know, so my brain of our facility or by adoptive. Engineer,
probation. What do you mean by probation? 6 months. Because what
let's say no more central market once.
Yeah.
Say omo moton there.
I explosives.
Unim baby. We are crisis money a year and I'm a for over a period of time, Nenko for what was plans in place? And Omo say, Sadi and Quan, I feel who say, and yet Papa say, Mamma woman at 10 per month. So, what was the friend say? Yes.
Maybe from the look of things, because fire service in their reports. As I report to you, we are moment kind of
Akoma FM.
no could be some common cat. A idea almost set here about the KUS in penny for better now. We say I got done kind near proper honey. It was indicated that they should clear them.
When that was when?
Oh, that was 2023. After fire, no,
a buyer,
no. It was a reporter when we hear you must say yes, combustible shouldn't be there. And on a pocket of fire incidents are recorded maybe all they are not specific maybe a shop on there.
Likely say
yes. Recently Thursday nearly nanka ba konso say cause fire. And no be omukohwe na ye sa product na heat na ade na ma na yes.
And you know, I think say automate no the ma it's not a bad idea. But baby omodo call. What provisions better because
yes. Almost say so what they are saying is that almost special containers be as a KUS
Akoma FM 87.9
to manage heat, for them.
They make sure that those places are well.
So the place is there, except that they are engaging further. But until that time, they are not too sure what will happen next.
Issues you have to know how free. I'm an alternative. Yes, when you baby. And you my baby now. Say na yetaya ma me BBC a ya kotu omagusa race course ho. Ye nya ekwan ye nya hwe even you na ne ho anwan me na jai sa. Enti when na ma say ye what things have you put in place?
Okay.
Oh, nipa don't was say
so I mean to offer.
Sani ma say if you want to deal with it properly, a yes a time be able taking a timely friends action. So that says uncle fast and fufu be any day. Me my dream. I'm saying upon my tongue, almost than no. So first and foremost, let's provide a safety net for them. We can't safety net, and I say, a bit take about 1 month, and your team they deal with issue properly. We need to pay 100. Week be a your mama's typing.
87.9.
Yeah, hotomo operations. Immediately you money in every because you be in the busy.
Yeah.
But someone can feel my common quademon and management. Maybe a weekly typing be week be a money. Copy me baby, I had more corn. It is a corner baby, you move money on a corner, you move up baby. I was to be behind to me today. Hong Kong and your friends what said be acquainted to me to copy say be a bias arrangement within the month, you know. We yes, sir. It takes away one more appeal for extension in San
Yeah.
because nobody knows extension to the
87.9.
even from now I almost submitted your friends a request for extension until such a time a decision will be made on it. We'll be in the business. So I feel say, yempe baby, you move on money now fanko. Omon tonsa. Near put in the watch. To be quick to be who have bit Marco, you be your pumps any penalty. It's a holiday and go for so 2 months or 2 months. No baby, I said containers no corner. You pass a special containers. Young chair woman, I couldn't because I contain near the special. Now I feel more cohon. A, B, C, D. Yen yano. Will be banner to get to channel and now be quality. Oh, Omqua, yes, and ye be French be a Ubitiano. Ooh, Macotani Busa. Oh, never when we walk. Oh, yes, yeah. Near Mount Cardi, the come Akoma, Ibima, Ubia, Udua. The only Mukran, Onya, upon it, Bianfa Bibian, corner cock of assembly. Abba. I think say we be bizarre. It is the best.
Not just say we are just claiming them, and that is that.
No. And it's a
Friday, no.
A bit of Busumi, you come and son, I didn't know why yet you dealt with against it. Yes.
Friday, Yanizubaka, so say they are meeting them as part of arrangement or more year free. They are meeting them on Friday, no. But by Sunday, and they will follow up. Ashe be more there. Me check says but as at den ra na baby na clear omode free ho as to where omode kono is also another thing said they enough for work. Yeah,
why call we be coffee fast member.
Yeah,
who now we in charge now to make sure say bia
yeah, because so manage bibisa na unya hu sa ade no a threat be hard no understanding no aburu obi ade so and you see you leave no room for some many say every day in see nipan you jano obe pre no so baby ade kokora na ho yi ho nyo ni say ye betimi ko akọ na mo ye ho yi wi say ye to kokora mutima ye ho yi and I feel say ye bibi sa ji ade bia sa enema say no it comes at friends with a cost.
Yeah,
the only thing you do as a manager and say she come for so betimi minimize sa cost no now achieve ade apeso head.
Yeah.
And can say extension and memukra because I didn't a threat to be a where I say what to be and I could tell you baby which mukra you business here would be a big account. The young ones are there in Senate here. Yentown and ma yama extend the moment because I've been you knew what it takes to control the and then I'm some kind of sound crown.
Yeah.
Obey. They make a toss.
No, you're right. You're right. Send it there. Was somebody.
Yeah.
And within that period, that arrangement, definitely you take into consideration. Almost I mean, they said I'm working more with Busia for sure. And I am happy with this approach. Say, if say a year. Warehouse be a Honsu heat because
any baby come Cochano, and Yasema, or many the next vendors or whatever it is, at least 60 feet wide, baby, no or much or more. The baby crazy.
Yeah, minimizing
and yes, some form could come from the
yeah, I agree with you. Of America. State of the nation.
Yes, I know. I'm saying I read at Yasham Rama home. And also Baba can't say the man over Fano. Baby, why they are edu. In fact, I wasn't expect present. So they can last year on bed because you have a man afini. We claim say yellow man and the acronym and send man name cost. So equally, we have a lot to say. Some Mujan go bet me casa, come send can you make a bed. But almost crafty speech, almost idea. Almost for the salient point of baby, I can't. I better draw attention to party because we quana. In terms of your kind, say, if you more a young tro, and I enter your can. This time, I'm saying, can you be no which from the pages here because you now be opposition. We need maybe a DB and so working can be a cost.
Yes, there's one thing on employment.
Yeah,
and the figures no, and it in official government communication beyond that. Say Mampeli 1 million, and Ghana Statistical Service also reported 300,000.
Yeah.
Mampeni make you specific reference to statistical authority omo data.
Yeah.
Until it became an issue. And man focus okay, say what make you direct reference there? There's also figures no the statistical service figures no
and you statistical service for when a matter of hours. No money about.
Yeah.
And no be you don't come in the bank say we and say we. The intrico a man pick it or pick 1 million. Maybe I'm also you come on website and say well yeah 300,000. Because maybe there's a period between time when we issue 300,000 minimum that time. But maybe middle of the year or first quarter of the year. And maybe as a data or from that time to time I'm bringing a report on. It's a baby shower or more and 10 or family. No family. Do you remember some say and yes sooner? But then go for the press you flat of house. And now I'm saying but I'm having a butcher and say the flagship reference programs jobs to send ahead a critic. I'm so to avoid say because also your money 6 months you come and give us the accurate what figures 6 months and yet yeah or they leave coffee but me person me say statistical service for the way from
Akoma FM 87.9
figures no be ahead to going forward no the yes na warmati and a matter of hours no matter be clear
first quarter to the third quarter report and a capture 300,000 employment no
there's a difference about 670,000 and about account and to nanka mobile clear say oh the man benin can a same the man benin can be a na figure be a same about 330 and I say be a we be a shutdown fan can and I hear say now and it is on my because presidents will not just get up and you figure be at all. They pick the figures from your friends institutions in because first quarter second for the whole identity to be updated. Maybe it's a bit member. Yes, so my club, but by and large, presentation of a friends on my because he was able to explain. It appears as a assembly of a Fabiano. Senators will questions and confirmation Mubusa. Then he was explains then and son of Oyeden were buffer frost. And but like I feel say, dear Oyen a year. Now the mamma need you him. And I will be a parking kind, and I will be a keep records piano. The next sooner, people have a lot of questions to ask. Because you'll be able to say, okay, this time I'll back say I do say. And I remember we had to say. And there's an over now and quite anymore. Okay, that's quite anymore. You be almost a near day. And quite anymore. At least if open a new chapter in sooner presentations. I'm will be parking can I will be able to me that same two teams say it's not kind of the that's an I don't say I can I say yeah, we'll be a big coin questions. So by and large, I account for the stewardship, which is in a very fashionable way.
On corruption, any accountability. It says Marfo akase na aban ba ekra no sikasem ne ade orade hwan ni nyina no. Or say Yetimia recover about 600 million cedis. And other cases are nanka ye bia pa update no gusua. There also you ko ye ho adwuma mo ye, there also attorney general ye ho adwuma nso omo ye. But we are impressed with progress you are making as far as corruption related issues, how recovery is
acquire a fast fight corruption. It will go and end at the law court. And law court as same country there. Me who should be to my producer saying we need ben out to me and send it.
Yeah, can we?
Yes. Where a system now you're preaching the Salaman manner. And what have been recovered now, I don't think it's bad. It should give whoever is in charge a different approach there. Yes, court process and I say, but Mr. Kwambra, Mr. Faswa, a bit my fast track and a bit my head.
I
enter. Once you do a blank for accuse special process or court official state agencies, unique case man, I am Mount the open. So you have to be selected. Mr. Case, I'm equal. At least Nipan lawyer. Nipan lawyer, the entire follower and so person will be charging. So dear Kwana, Mr. Osam Faswa, Nipan will be charging, and Mr. Who says, oh, charging a day. Yes. Oh, and I think the but the enemy, and a bear man come the new measures to prevent corruption from happening because it's here, Ubanyanipan, but it will take you a longer time to arrive at judgment. Next can go so general. A bit of a because I will be doing this, couldn't pay. And now this plea bargain abbey. Come on in a cast and I train court in this council, the investment to be or not a very scale. By the time I'll be say or better, no office scramble. That's what no one who sit up. And at least preventive ways are a bit mammy stop corruption. Say, I feel you're fighting the issue. Now going forward, near my a better didn't say a bit messy because energy is very important. Say, but Tom and Debbie are the next year and Sunday, I call him Debbie, I call him the next view. We should be moving towards the direction, eh? At the end of the day, didn't say, be a wire not being so persuaded, a bad drama. I think the baby Sunday say, I was here, then you do. Because I did, yeah, one who say, we are hoping you can be uncle for into his own bed. One bay, no. Common sense can it should tell you, say, there are some loopholes that be uncle for me. FM we yet name on some way because say when you film now you could not call to adjournment we first accused about we and the best way for us and I said near my benny it will be very difficult since I didn't beat my head I think that yes and no one beat me a boy
anyway enti ni nyina no of our own say
oh because baby so also my immediate offense, a past government, Obama about to say, no. Baby, how can be answering, baby, our day, or kind. Egypt, say, yeah, banding way, you better try Juma with me, so you be at least your cousin or better try Juma or better me, so he's telling you, say, the previous government, so almost a BB, so I won't pass. I was here then, get to us, so bad, I realize the BB is okay.
Yeah, Medas. The accidentally be Providence Healthcare. Providence Healthcare, as I mentioned, say between 16th March and 23rd March, or a free health screening. This year, so me pass the year social blood grouping, hepatitis B, kidney function tests, or cholesterol consultation. You know, a free or the amount from 16th March to 23rd March, and I make once much away. Into Bomodi so Bobo, Sabre, who call Providence or more year Juma. Or year Juma and the almost share IR4 come and tea. The woman say also a show. Now a drone or say Otra or an idea also to drop. Also Oto na and so bois. Let me be a come out of the chim as once and listen to Teresa College Church and show anymore. 0248 422 0248 422 0506 83 0210. Inti bomoding Say also betimi edi wani akyerɛ hɔ. Na Providence so aboa. Come. Zap natural mineral water in su papa in su krojin. Yeah, and also we be event be we be an Zap ebeboa ama wetimi. No. But what is over we Deuce Ewo New Road, Tafu New Road, or your distributor. ANS Ewa Tunsu High School Junction. Every smart our chronom. Number 0534 291 828. Friend on and no in income. Doc.
Yes.
I feel Remo never so nano.
So then they said the president Bekawakawi.
Okay, we are convinced.
We be a convinced, be soon you're convinced. Light boy.
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
Light boy thing. To light him. Light no meter na omudi abeba no omonhwe no monhwe hwasemonka. Ekuafo ekuafo omomo edo aburu omososo enkoyi price omo ye de tono enkoyi koko chi say bag Canadian just a price and so at fi. Intino there was a president if you was indicators na wo apart from mama for muntimi nyato
yeah unim say okay say na ko ba for body bi buya no be any
Akoma FM 87.9
to body do the 5 6 10 cities how much do you think the farmer no be encourage
obetimi ya
in fact say no say committee bi hu hia pa was a great minister o man na bi ne koso no penny pebi said me woman ye
of a 12 that's my kind of 12
yes said woman ye you see ministers no fan here thinkers are one by ministers one be like that we can get guaranteed prices
for these because very very bad
I didn't need a guaranteed price for Gary back a beer bag, a took bag.
Because the price need to be back for ma. Just a wabble.
So we should have a committee putting the money in place. Again, we can develop a value chain that will ensure what guarantee price. Second, cocoa yena. One going to get the cocoa over 100 years.
Because the price,
yes. Guarantee price.
Yes.
Now you require to show you. Yes, I did be a shame. There is a price, a cost, a best cost. And then I wish him. But some pass, my dog go last year. Nothing, minimum, be a bear 10,000. Many bums, nothing, maybe 2,000. Dear Ben, I could do. And for all you know, son and Mamma Budi in there. A being were intimate now more than 1 year.
Yes.
If you buy it, we can go and learn. I didn't think now about the potato. No,
it's me a chest.
As a way.
Second, we need to. I was saying,
one account as me.
By memo office. There's one boy be at them. Or by very simple idea. Or say PC. Yeah. Very simple. You turn it into PC size now. We hear blast freezer. Or your blast freezing no you for a certain hours, you know the crochet a bit make good freezing bear almost 8 months. Think about Okotoy and obey your channel saying Shana Bedia, no you. At least by there should be a guarantee price. And the year when dear. And I know tomatoes are sent by you will be a final actually will be a nearby.
I feel you're thinking.
Said no, and MP cost member. Because here now, why he share about programs be a question and who procurement is simple. Said no, why will you award a contract to be young fancy be a seedlings, ye did a friend? No, tomatoes. Now, your woman dealing in seedlings a friend. Oh, yes, Woko Kadi. Your professor will find professor and can someone way back because I'm the tech said. Woman now seedlings, yes. Obi a develop a back refer back on Quabran, back on the encancer bar. A papa change your coffee free, you ban on your friends. Bokina, ye check on now. Next very good. Nanim. Next say you could put be a man contact be ye tomato seedlings. Na ye sign nipano professor or turkey why be a friend kwabran anyway no ne sign ho na ye da movie no obi so Akoma bi ansa na ababa be dru say nipa na ono wo ho yes bad practice sure so man here ye be say body pa bi din we my send message the mama mpanyini
direct message
I'm telling you because how in a question yeah my camera compare me tell radio TV so yeah me na ma me yi na the MP before yeah na enye no wa be tell so be bia no yeah fa ho nche wo why would you do that we are but my money are ben we try everything possible say we will ensure that the bia we have value for money now ko yes how we are akosi we so abesi we so
one contract no
how we
one contract
how we ensure value for money
sana adruni pan ho
this is mo na madwem say president we be show wo kona ba bia won tie no ye mu be we pass on the information ye pen ko sesem bia ye pen some furnishing hu bia mo de do manka mo ma kam de ye pen sem hu bia so ko le hu bi kan ro oh se John anya dwuma bia o anti Ghana said you work catch for and woman info nti yetimi nye nipa bi ntrase en kire kwan afa so a yebetimi de eboato eburo bag so gere bag so adua bag so
minu ya ba ko efe na sare otie onu oye nano send me no oye o Kakumba farm o say menchiao o say nyaminshira of papa fast making yeah for we need a well structured price for our crops and vegetables.
Me say and men dey me call me nua ba ko farm Sir John o ma ye tomato o ma ye onions o ma ye we ibia ko ni wa ebru 2 eyo eka Sir John technology wo gan e wo ha no nipa obe develop so man wo chade wo tech Dr. Desin chade wo tech in place of greenhouse normally be can we have greenhouse
yeah
come ade o ma ye no ho I say unim you can calculate the friends and produce our no up in near to a friends and accurate.
Okay.
Akoma FM 87.
I send back when you
Opa say eno na minister no oniwana onu na mo position wa yire no ho kasa agree ya 1+1+2
I don't believe that. Yeah, big Satan. Ali here pan say be move to the stepper. Yeah, ensure guarantee prices.
Offer no cry because
we bet na ko bobusia. No yeah phone kwa. E be a first years kwa. Once I will name the guarantee price after 4 years.
Yes no. Obetimi
no was say make profit. I feel adwuma no.
Akoso man.
Even that of our credit facilities and as a credit institutions here say a rural bank no say
mama kase mencho
eka we ni panel when there's a guarantee price
Bank of Ghana for asase e ba ya di obi amna dwenem la so
sa we no be kika
wo mo be microfinance sector reforms media as a microfinance economist sa de enya adwuma because unim ma hwe wo mo document na any residual effect bi o ma dwen na say microfinance
is a bank
a banking business. Can me will propose that me say young categorize licensing of microfinance companies. Mercantile microfinance. Agric and friends agro friends
processing.
Yes. And cottage friends industry. Say John, you categorize microfinance for us you realize if you now can
yes.
It's one district no. You be man license for district no. Say minimum capital is 5 million. Abba will provide another 5 million for the company. No. Now buy a couple or more interest rate. No. Yeah, buy a couple interest rate. Now, ultimately charging interest rate. Yeah, because here, then get no more funds. Cheap or better. You not guarantee price for what? Okay, baby. Now, Obi, you are written as a cottage industry. Or you put tomato puree. Now, say company be no more say a friend say Jenny. Yeah, I am that. ɛwɔ adeɛ mu ɔmo saa factories nyinaa no yɛbɛtumi ahyɛ mmara sɛ ɛnyɛ fully automated factory 30%. Ɛnti no obi ɔte baabi a wɔn pɛ sɛ ɔkɔ afom kwa wotumi kɔ adwuma factory hɔ wɔn na bɛtumi ayɛ adwuma 20 friends 3 in 1 no yɛne no yɛde nsa na ɛtwitwa to ɛtwitwa du mmienu no apɔn na wɔkɔ na ɔnhyɛ no nso apɔn saa wɔn bɛtumi kɔ no mfoɔ koraa na baabi yɛtie biara local economy no biribi yɛ dɛn biribi bɛm wɔn but yɛyɛ deɛ
I don't know who share faza. But you see, disappointed. Sunny Maui.
Say John, oh,
your can go focus.
Yes, but Sana, we 2 minutes, and I'm in India and about so Emma Yen Yomabia. Also, no my said, minim politicians who buy. Send no crown of Monko, so what I say, Munya here. Because omunim say dia say na say yes but no de na baby say obi onyo bibi biadi koko seedlings a wokan eno sa no mo ye koko board for dia me mankrofo a omo wo kra seedlings kra woni mu hwe ye the region we bi a western north ne wan dia dia ma obi no afa no de say ko ma obi o and this was reviewed within this week say sa no mo te no mo yes ade
ambe na de
ti weji a no de akoma we na we di ne di ato so na we di ne nti be say nipa be 9 and sana ko nipa kro na omo wo expect na omo ye no na je say onu obedu na de ne wanya and these are what is going on agree wu nipa wo no na wo border ba so say but you jane ye kupuku you should do something before he dies and you guys say you die nye nipa no na ba say wo ba si koko wo ba koko be ye wo betimi ayi koko yeah, NDC for slogan. Do something before you die. JJ, do something before you die.
Yeah, I guess that's an idea. Oh, because said no, some microfinance subset. You made a bit media ball, man. Only say information set for to do no moon tax in microfinance can handle it.
Oh, yes, they can. They can.
Simple.
Unless minimum they make very simple.
My perplex of some my perplex. Omu sa we no omu nyaye nse sa ayi a adwuma wo so mo de man crofo direct no mo de ma chain of people see e pe crofo mo di ato so de omu nyaye sa adwo ka chom so omu nyaye
yo yate am kwa be die ni so ntino o say said you also can be ano and they are nyame adomo a Presbyterian Church of Ghana at the National Crusade 2026 at the eba na theme no ye Jesus Christ our hope and refuge ebeba so e wo Jubilee Park Kumasi ha nyasem ketwa wo Wednesday 11th to Friday 13th March 5:30 to 8:30 each day na mpanimfo pa kukuda mo eba kroma nyasem ketwa Reverend Dr. E.K. Saba, Reverend Samuel Ahima Yeboah, Right Reverend Dr. Abraham Nana Opare Kwache, Reverend David Boachi Dankwanafe, Reverend Eric Buche. Omoba na me kamisho se enyumu pa so enya asem ketu abi twegu ase. Ikese wa kese ACP Kofisapon. Na fe Christian Akoma nyina be tonwom nti activities bebre na be call so leadership seminar. And here 12 and 13th March, 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. And I face street evangelism and health walk. And here 14th March 2026, 7 a.m. to 10 a.m. National evangelism launch will be on 15th March 2026. Ewo Ramsia congregation at Dumtiweno. But oh yeah, Presbyterian would see me, and I want your Presbyterian crown. A brand Jesus Christ, our hope and refuge. I will see you in Asia. And you have a coso. Live at Jubilee Park Kumasi ha. Like I said, Ebebaso live on Sosono will be live on PCG TV. Shannon Sumame. So also the Anglican University College of Technology, Angutech Kumasi. Assuming Kancho say 2025-2026 academic year. Omugusuya admission. Timomo Deba say oye BSc General Nursing. Wasi no A1 to C6. Ubetimi apply. SSC A to D, which may apply. and level 100 no subjects should be 3 core, 3 electives. That was say bibia kama diploma holders RGN most of me apply access courses amo NAC and hack holders no me apply amo basic information technology so edia and also so no wasi no A1 to C6 and SSC no A to D 3 subjects core and 3 electives me abambacho A level holders no so no most so me GCE O level certificate with credit in at least 5 subjects including mathematics, English. I also ultimately pass at least 3 subjects at advanced level. Academic and university diploma certificates with me they apply, and amateur students who should be at least 25 years. When you know more Quenya same with me apply. One more number no 0547 949446 and after 0243 534125 0248569452 www.angutech.edu.gh. Omo email no registrar@angutech.edu.gh. Majo obetimi call St. Anne's Anglican Church, Ashtown, ebe mention no akodi nchiremu bia so ewo ho. You are accredited by NMC and Tech and affiliated to KNUST UCC. Certificate no is issued by KNUST and UCC. More outside Kumasi no hostel ewo ho no so ebetimi abom. Beluchi anya birthdays na fi sorry yeah
Baptist are sorry or patas.
Okay.
And I'll sorry. There be me koi almost to suffer my mikoshia men's fellowship for.
Okay. We are teaching okay.
How to
okay.
Men's for me the almost one man.
Okay. And that Barikisu Tijani aka Mame or Tetrim and then happy birthday to you Barikisu Tijani aka Mame Tetrim now we a graduate from College of Nursing and Midwifery Naregu Bush doctor so wish you happy birthday. I Tetrim by a friend saying so one free or a student or a graduate student or College of Nursing and Midwifery. Now really good. Bush doctor. Western Nana Ajay Jomo Aqua. Today is your birthday. Happy birthday to you, Winston. Over Kanya the team Kanya. Yeah, ready, Yami. Vera Nana Kunadu Amponsa. Today is your birthday, Vera. Happy birthday to you. Local School Royal Blues Montessori School. We're through Papa Kwame and Ponsan of a Cropon that also wish you happy birthday. Sounds so say good morning, sir. I believe all is well. Please wish my sister Mercy Opokwajiman of Italy. Or no, this year no or Ghana. Wish you know happy birthday, Emame. Happy birthday to you. Minia Prince or wish the sister Mercy Opoku Ajiman or Italy, but you are in Ghana. The sister Penny also wish you happy birthday. Samson Lance Corporal Caleb Adujamfi Obrofiedu Police Station. Come on, say happy birthday to you from Alice, Ruth, and Ernest Adujamfi. I'm gonna do we say bye. Niako Loretta, today is your birthday. Niako, happy birthday to you. Buakwa from Ebenezer Usu and son of Sumpa FM and TV. I wish you happy birthday. Last one, Kodiama Sister Harriet. Sister Harriet. If you Kwame fantastic. And or the buy. Yeah, sorry. Sorry. That's 20 best. Yeah, me other one. Or tonight will be another day. We'll sit and have a lot. Good morning.
Ampa say yawe buju okabwane